Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. So, let's do a location roll call. Where are you watching from? 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 Let me see. London. Yeah, man. Early people in Jersey. Mount Vernon. Florida, Queen. Which part of Jamaica? Antigua, where the big mix-up bus was there. North Carolina, South Florida, London. Afghanistan? Afghanistan? Where do this, sir? Are you in the military? No, but then pull out. A joke. Okay, a joke. No, man, just put where you really then. Nobody joke it out. Just put where you really then. Clarendon, Idaho, Connecticut. Beans Road. Used to live pretty much right beside Beans Road. Over there in a Waterhouse. Which part of Canada? One big place that, you know. Canada bigger than the United States. Cleveland, Kingston, Hanover, Ewaton. A mix-up place that too, you know. Brampton, Canada, that Brixton. I'm a place that, even though Brixton changed right, you know. Brixton, why Brixton get bougie. Brixton different, you know. Yeah, hello. Hello.
Yeah, Raga, where you doing?
Where you say, Papa? Where you say?
Mr. Earlier, man, on next week.
Eh.
Like a program when I come sometime with the studio, man, and laugh, you know.
You see it,
But
you
we
see
don't really
it.
have a mix-up still, man.
No, uno in a mix-up.
No, we don't have no. We just have laugh it out.
No, but now you, when you come in and the first thing you say is, boy, everybody who come America after 6 months, them start eat, even if them never eat before. How you know that?
I don't meet all that.
Who talk it?
As somebody that carry the title.
What you mean somebody in the car? Oh, so you don't know nothing about it? You say you just attack what somebody said, no?
No, my team up my brethren, messing me. That's
What you
what I
say?
like talk about him.
What you say, what?
I'm a brethren type of team, but I might think you.
Well, on you know. Say, are your brethren typing the way
Me have
it
got the
is?
gas station. Me I pump my gas and you come on and type of team.
Say, you tell me, say, I never you type it in?
I know me type it, but you know me like talk about them things and type of thing.
You know, say, you go around me though, don't?
Yeah, man.
No, man, yeah, I can't believe you go around me.
Raga, you're my biggest host in the Raga.
No, but you're trying to grounds me out, dog. I think whatever, man. What you mean? Are you typing something, man? You talk about your
No,
brethren.
me teach Jamaican how to eat still about.
You teach Jamaican them how to eat?
Yeah, man.
Oh, Cause one time what?
Why? Me not my just answer me not eat. I'm going to jail through me not eat.
Hold on. You didn't knock your chest and say you not eat and even end up and go to jail because you not eat?
Yeah, man.
Wait, what did happen? What? Somebody did ask if you eat and you box them though?
You know it, though.
No, seriously. Being serious.
No.
What did that make you go jail when you never did that eat? What did that?
You know, you just come in the country, you say.
Yeah.
Bad man, you come from here, you know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there's a Rasta man take it over.
No, but what did happen for you getting up go to jail?
Yeah, them just twist them things.
Eh?
You just twist them things to make you keep it clean.
No, keep it clean. That's what explain, but keep
it
clean.
Yeah, them twist the thing, and say for them version, and you don't know just say it come in up.
No, but what did happen do? Like, where you end up with a charge relating to that matter? What occurred? Like, what them tell? Like, what overture was made to you or proposal did make to you? Or what did happen? What caused the drama? What lead to you? Them a twist it up.
No,
on you.
Rasta.
Yeah.
No, Rasta man, me see a talk on the mic.
Oh, you come in and see a Rasta I deal with?
Yeah, man, I talk on the mic, man.
No. When the man I do it, I know him attack on the mic here.
No, I'm saying that the Rasta man, me not keep it that way then. And she attack on the mic.
Oh, she. Oh.
And the Rasta man start the locks and start doing things.
I was so she did a DJ upon the mic and thing, and then him just tie up film locks in a ponytail and start swipe her.
Boy, I'm telling the Rasta man, great.
And I your woman that did happen with, right?
Woman, more than woman I do.
I was your wife? Baby mother?
John, I do.
Eh?
I say I do.
Oh, I do? Oh, damn. So what you do? You step to them when you say that?
No, man, you're crazy, man. I will love freedom and stuff.
I know them do. Them go tell lies, say you do.
Them just twist it. And I say, boy, I use my hands and foot and what they play with that.
And nothing never go so?
Never even.
Oh, so she probably did draw that card upon you if you get in a trouble through, you probably did put on your foot after that and say, done or whatever, and she may did all want to make sure so she get fear look much out of the separate. You know that them look weird and thing. So them
yeah, man. But that's why Raga make someone say that joke thing. And I tell someone so when them catch woman and they think them walk like me. Come have to have a video.
John.
And that's set me free, man.
Oh, see it there. So well, you know
shows the most aggressive.
No, but you know you might talk on that all the while.
The video shows the most aggressive unit, you know.
Okay, see it there.
There's a lot when they play it for about 6 months and the video surface and that's everything. I know that's why the camera is a good thing, yeah.
Yeah, man, you have a video, man, particularly when you're in a position there as a man, you know, because when the lies start tell evidence, I go save you see it.
Yeah, man, but we see there's strong support from mama.
From mama, okay.
Yeah, mama tells you, you know.
Give time.
And mama, if you love still, when you love mama, you can't get in trouble.
Why, my one gone from me at 15, you know, so, you know it
goes. I have 2, you know.
2 mama?
Yeah, man, I have 2 mama.
Well, okay, all right, seeing. So, but hold on there now. So, give it that you never did. So, basically, I said because you never do it, makes you go for the rest who did I do it.
Yeah, because you know me, I'm not just a bad man from Jamaica one of them things.
Yeah, I said, B, you can't bring that to me. How you feel like? Boom,
then,
you know?
Yeah, and then you get the first green, you know, when I get the 2-year green card.
Yeah, the condition.
You start checking with that. So, yeah, I want my car still.
Seeing.
But long after I'm drop asleep and I drink some Hennessy. That's what I'm going to drink again. And because I drop asleep and drink some Hennessy, a girl's growing this out. Then we tried for my own and funny night.
No, hold on. So hold on. No, I want you educate me right now. So basically I say, you never did that do it, you burn it out and all them things there. One time you beat some Hennessy and under, you know, as we say in Jamaica, you red and thing and cherry and you drop asleep. And then while you asleep, is a bee just come put it down in your face and give you a juju facial?
I say when she don't burn on my feet, on my jaw them burn.
What you mean burn? What you mean burn? No, what you mean burn up?
My brother said to me, say, yo, come like you get a body burn.
No, what did happen to your face? No, what did happen to your face? Make them say that. What happened to your face?
Them know I'm a jump man and the other girl with sit on my face one. I'm a jaw them bruise up like my Vicky.
Jeez, hold on. The way she rub it in your face, so you're under your NSC, and she go over here and sit down in your face, and the way she rub it, she chafe up your face and make your face look like you get burned.
Yeah, I want to tell her, say, no, my head get chip and I decide to go and go for my little.
And what? Your head get chip and what?
When I tell me, say, most can get violent, I say, why you mad? I'm not dead. So I say, Me I listen to a sparrow named Saltfish, how the Jamaican them like saltfish.
Yeah,
Raga eat saltfish. I'm saying, I'm gonna try this thing. Funny like that.
Yeah, Bombard! So when you say after you try it, you say, yo, this nicey, don't it?
I tell you.
Yo, John, no, I love how you keep it 100 still, you know. I love how you keep it on.
Me a yard, man, I'm not afraid.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of no man. So if a boy want see it around him on, what man of my town Long Island, we preach it to them.
Dog,
it's
like nothing now. It's like nothing now. It's like nothing now out there. I must say 1 and 2 local church people or 1 and 2 Rasta. You know, I don't do it.
Tell me the truth. Raga, you ever tried it?
No, my mouth innocent. Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth.
Raga,
but me not burn it out. Me not burn it out.
Raga, if you just squeeze at the line, this man, but if you say your line, man, you do try that.
If you say squeeze who music work good, link up radio?
If you say about the line, this man, never hear talk radio.
Well, yeah, but you say, oh, your feet say, me I tell lie about this.
If you say try it, Raga.
No, you can't. No, people, them beat me all the while and say what they want to say, but me hold my order. Okay, me don't do it.
Raga, before you go, them have a music name. You have an artist named Marvin C. Candelica. If you respect what I say to you,
yeah.
Play that music right now. Candelica.
Candelica.
Marvin C.
No, me can't. You know, me nah,
I'm not ashamed no more. I'm not do the things.
No, but hold on, though. No, big and serious doing a G. When me I say, so after that, at that same night that you tried, or that they done.
I want a long time after that, man. That's why I'm not drink alcohol no more now.
Oh,
alcohol make you drunk, you know.
Okay, so a long time after that, you said, listen to me. You know, this woman I come put this in my face, I'm not dead. Me just try a look.
Try.
So when you did that try it the first time, what you do? You did free it, or what you do? You just choops it first, don't?
Look at my nose.
What are the gunshot? Gunshot. When you say you can't nose when you dive in, you can't nose because you never want to drown down. You never go deep. You just stay up at top first.
Shallow water, yeah.
Yeah, shallow. Later. What you say? At first, so what you did do? You did just a choops it at the top first, though, and hold your nose, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just kind of, broke yourself in it, though. And it sounded to me like the woman was very cooperative and patient. The first one the after, you know?
Wow, man, I tell us that. Remember them can't go back.
Eh?
Real fun, but you know say, I teach you tell a man this.
Yeah.
When you eat it, it makes it taste longer and make it stronger.
When you eat it, it make your instrument longer and it make what? What?
When you eat it,
it make your instrument stronger and make you stay longer.
Yeah.
Well, on, are you saying when a man eat juju, him get more stamina?
Yeah.
and it make the boy firmer, though.
Strong like lion.
John, no. I wonder if anything goes off with you, yo.
Yes, man, try, man.
All right, hold on. Ladies, is it true? Let me see what them say. Is it true that the man them who eat, the man them who swipe, them have more stamina and them things stronger? One lady said true. See, the sissy said true. And Leah said yes. Goldie said, Bomba! Look at what? Yes. Paulette said yes. True. Treasure said, my general, it's like you. Bomba, watch it. A beer, yes. Absolutely, yes. Yeah. Jano. No, say me never hear that talk there before, though. Me not gonna lie to you, Remember, say me host to show them and thing. Me never hear that talk there before, but all the women, them agree. Basically, they're saying men who eat, they them sort out better. That's what
Of
they're
course.
saying. You know, so I never hear that out there before, though. If you say, yo, it's strengthening
You
your
try to come on the next one, tell me, come and
No,
listen
but
to
you
you.
keep on and tell me about me for try, man. Me not, me I run the show.
Yeah.
Go on, but no, I just want to say respect to you, because you say, you keep it 100, the burn it out and all these things and whatever, I'll get in a trouble feet.
No, but hey, Raga, and I see the stone on Raga. Raga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This is no joke. 99% of the man in Jamaica, them who they America.
Yeah.
After 5 months and 3 weeks, them eat,
After 5 months and 3 weeks.
Them eat, yeah.
Them eat.
Them go shame for them shame.
But you know, I say every Jamaican, but you say most of them after about
99%.
99% and thing. After 5 months and 3 months, them
5 months and 3 weeks.
5 months and 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Them start look swiping and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but them kind of, the term we use and them say shy
boys. Right,
boys.
He said the man that lick out against it and say, lock them chest and like you. So, boy, we not do that.
Yeah.
They are the greatest.
But you say, them are the baddest wife of them.
No man, any man is a swear and
no, but me not need for go around. I mean, if you ask me a question, I'm gonna answer you, but me not need for go around and come in a bun, me not. Hey, that's something I'm a joke
Raga,
about.
if you love your girl.
Eh?
Raga.
Eh?
If you love your girl.
Yeah.
And say your grandmother is dead, and you have to eat your girl to save your grandmother life, you know what I mean?
If me love my girl.
Right. And to save your grandmother life.
And to save my grandmother life.
You eat the girl.
Well, my answer upon that one depending, pending. No. My answer, no, me have to go. Me have to go match out that one the first.
Raga, you love our mama? You love our mama and back with me and eat her.
Bomba!
You're a real mama boy.
Say, your mama, you have to live today. That me I tell you, my girl, position.
Yeah? Mama boy.
No. Other man come start the show so bilious, man. So when you say right away, any other body so they say, I hear me right, I know my mother fell.
No, and then any girl in the job for doing a rugger. Yeah.
Where you say?
And then any girl in the job for I'm not jump on and go do that,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not jump on and do that because I'm kind of in love about 5 years now.
Okay.
But me make it know, say,
people in the ear that spoken like a true hardcore Jamaican man. Yeah, Raga, you want some kind of in love about 5, kinda. You say
yeah, I'm scared, yeah. I'm scared faithful to this.
Well,
but I'm tempted still. Sometimes I'm tempted as a man still.
For do what?
For go street.
Oh, for go out there, don't. For go do road.
But I'm tempted,
Yeah.
Man of Jesus.
But basically, I say, in a careless mouth thing where you...
No, I'm in a careless thing.
Yeah.
And that's how my eat a man feels it. Me just going and eating to the choose,
Yeah. No, and nowadays, based on how the world set up, nobody can not even sort out, you want just go jump up in anything belly, any woman belly.
Yeah, but I'm afraid to tell my man, sister. Love making, when you find a girl you eat that man, is like in a different world.
It is interesting, because what I'm hearing from you is not even that you're doing it as a task for the woman. I mean, consistently thus far, your language, your rhetoric is such that you are saying it, that when you do it, you enjoy doing it, that you derive pleasure from it. Doing it to the person who you feel strongly for, or who you feel deserve it, and things. So you definitely enjoy doing it. That may I hear from the eye.
Yeah, man. I'm serious. I love what I'm doing.
Seeing. And you sound...
But I'm not just like someone, because I remember this first thing, we can't defend myself home and abroad. I mean, being afraid of no boy. And the boy said to me, say, Me eat,
Yeah.
him eat.
Any boy you like him want done, and I say, go away, you this and
The
that.
90% of them eat, we can't say it. We can't take them know that.
Yeah.
One time a girl said to me, say, you see my fight there? You see my cousin go on?
Yeah.
See me video, yeah? I'm having on video, they want to fight me, so I eat, and I don't eat. But I'm not exposing things, I'm same thing there.
Nah, man, from long time, man. From enough war that stuff. Remember when Beanie Man did have a song where say, no girl can see up on me head. If a girl try that, she dead. Yeah, running in red.
But I'm going to cut you before you go further, Raga. Learn one thing.
Yeah.
You see, every DJ you think about, don't bow and bow.
Yeah.
I try to, when them say don't do it, you know. Them want to have the fun.
But I don't know about every, but I can't tell you. No, well, I can't tell you, say. There was a time when the DJ did, you know, back in the day, like my type of comedy did, well, Ray, and enough of them did want burn me out and thing, but it's me, the woman them come talk to. It's Raga the ladies. Well, I know it's Raga the ladies them talk to.
Hey, Raga,
man. And them did love. Them did have this thing where them love Yui girls, you know. Them love for say, oh, my girl go university, you know. So them did into Yui girls and UTech girls, you know. So, but them time there was a lecturer at the university, a very popular lecturer, and I'm me the girls them talk to. So me have the whole of them file. So you find say after a while when them did that go like them want style me, when them see me them did that for humble man because them know say the woman them tell me what I go on. You understand? Yeah, so you not tell me nothing about that. Me know about that with enough of them. Me know all some of them bad like Yaz, man. All one of them, you know, we could leave that right there. So anyway.
You leave it on a politics.
Yeah.
So Raga, we looking on the UK or US?
No, I'm in New York now. I've been in New York for a while now. I came back from Florida. I went to law school here. And then I've been, started law school here in 2020. Finished law school. I've been here since then. Finished law school 2023.
So what kind of law you practice?
Immigration law right now.
All right, respect.
U.S. immigration law.
So we have located.
So I know you're Long Island, but we mostly work from home, though, you know?
You know what I mean, still, you know what you're talking.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man.
Oh, seeing.
Business on the island, you know?
I want to say a word, man. Seeing. Then the link not for there, man. You see it?
Yeah, man.
You sound like an article, yo, make sure say the I forward at my party. No more you bring a bag of people come a party here.
When are the party?
September 28th, Ragabash, Amazura, Queen. So you just come down Long Island, you're there, Amazura, 1-3.
Yeah, man, I know that.
September 20th, Ragabash, right? Glamour Wayne, DJ Chris Cross, DJ Roy, Ragashanti and thing. And say a bag of selector come to my party and thing and go nice, all right?
Raga, why you plan a little thing to give like some students something who are a university who are help come September?
So that is a good idea. That is a good idea.
Mama tell her, I want my youth in Jamaica who want help in Raga, because I don't get all the while now. A decent youth don't want to help, you know?
Them link me regularly. I still have links with I used to lecture for 9 years in the Department of Sociology, Psychology, and Social Work. And I'm gonna really put it out there because unfortunately once you put certain thing out there,
no man,
10 million people run in and I pressure you. But I'm quietly doing, but we can't do it. No, man, no. And if you want, it sounds to me like you would want to contribute to something like that, right?
Yeah, man, I love Jamaican people.
All right, then. So, like, what
my business name is in Jamaica, I can tell it.
You have a business in Jamaica?
Here, name is Clean Jamaica. I'm Ph.D. Ambulance Service.
Mr. D. All right, then. We could put something together and have your business as sponsors to it, to one thing, and we can make the presentation at the party.
All right.
No, I'm serious, you know.
Yeah, I'm serious, man. Just go and do your thing in Raga.
Yeah, man. Well,
Raga, anybody have flood, water damage, garbage, demolition, call Mr. Clean Jamaica. 655.
No, you know why you do that way, though, because other people are call and do that. I'm run them, you know, me tell them, say, no, because I don't want to open that door. No, I don't want to open that door. But we work out something, man. We work out something for you, yeah?
In the flood and water damage, I'm going to get it.
All right, then. Not say a word. All right. We work out something for you, man. And we talk about something for you and think what we can do for you.
One love, Raga. Pick up yourself.
It got some, man. All right. Blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Hey, General. Hold on. Jano, hey, General. I love him keep it 100 still. And hold on. I want to know the drill. Raga, yeah, come back later. What you mean? I don't understand that question. What? Alistair, I don't understand that question. What do you mean if I come back later? What do you mean? Alistair, clarify that question. I don't really know what do you mean if I come back later? What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean. Bless you because you come early. Bless, what you mean I come early? What you know about me? Bless, dress up them tight there, you know. What you mean about me come early? Bless, dress up your talk, you know. Style your style about me come early, don't. Bless, hey. Bless, dress up your talk here. Fix up your talk. Fix up your talk. Yeah, you can't do that chat, but Bless, fix up your talk. What you mean, boy, about me come early? Bill, man. Yo. No, seriously. Hold on. Queen Nash, big up yourself in a Queen Nash. You're a star in this, them for no dumb. Full support. Oh, so but you thought I was going to leave and come back? No, I just start early because I have to leave earlier tonight. You know, my son is here spending holiday with me, and there's some adjustments I have to make and things. So I just start a little early, for finish early, to make sure he's a responsible man, you know, when it comes to my youth, you know. Yeah, you know, play with certain things, you understand? So, you know, I have to explain everything, but I don't know where it go down, all right? You know, there's something I have to take care of, and, you know, so I say, I balance. No, but Sissy, what I'm saying is what I didn't understand was, like, when I come here, I just do a show for hours, so I didn't know, I didn't get it. Like, you know, when she said, she was asking if I come back later, I didn't, never really understand because I just come and do the show and stay. But I think she was just saying, you're going to leave and come. Anyway, Nikki Couture, I see you, you know. I see you, Nikki, and I say a word, man. Big up yourself, man. People, for the entire weekend, I was in Atlanta and I hosted the Father's Day, the big Father's Day concert down there, the reggae festival and thing, and it was fun. Maxi Priest was there, Luciano performed, Itana, Anthony Malvo, and some other entertainers, and it was wonderful and thing. Big up Hardly and the whole crew down there in Atlanta, and thing, I had fun doing that and sitting and whatever, you know, come back in late last night. Everything is everything, you know, there, you know. Give thanks. And that is why I never do the show last night too, because I was flying around them time, you know. In fact, them time I did stand up at the gate, I wait for board. So couldn't get to do the show, you know. JJ Brown, following about 3 weeks now, first on the live. Big up yourself, welcome and things. Seeing large up JJ Brown, everything. All right, I could get some mix-up here now. It's a mix-up show, you know. Yeah, it's a fun show, them way there, and everything is everything. Seeing? Greetings, good evening, Wagwan.
Good night, Raga, good night.
What's up?
Yeah, man, I bless you.
Yeah, man, what you say?
Blenda, this your man, this was a talk about the show about to come.
No, but then you never did have a card to tell me that. You don't know what joke me I make.
I know that man. I just have to
Oh,
put the
no,
argument.
but you know, say a joke me I make good. Then I some joke.
But when we are talking about come, we not say C-O-M-E, we talk about C-U-M.
Me know, but me I said that I just me around joking, I sure. You understand? So you know
When me
my style.
address that come, then me not put the C-O-M-E, me put the C-U-M.
All right, that's a word, man. See, you there every night.
Alright,
You know,
Raga,
so me
me
make
gonna
joke
give you
out of
father
everything.
mix-up.
Eh?
I'm gonna give you a baby father mix-up.
Rinse.
Alright. When I'm a baby father, we did live together
Yeah.
and we have a 1-year-old baby at the time.
A what?
1-year-old
Yeah.
child together.
Yeah.
His mother live at the top of the lane. We live further down in the district.
Yeah.
So he never really did live with me. He did have some clothes on me and some clothes on mother. But I don't know some of them man they were face up.
Yeah.
So when he want to do wrong with them, he pick argument, one do must be, and then he was feed by mother. So one year I did him birthday,
Yeah.
and then tell the same I go, you know, the adjoining community to go get some money and come back. The time of the woman cook good dinner for the man birthday, you know. Rather the man be dress up and gone. Like me there, you call him, nothing. He no come home. 6 o'clock the morning. 3 kids me did have at the town. Take them up and them gone a road. Gone up and mother house to see if he there. My mother, his mother say him not there. But the day I'm stand up and talk to the mother, rather when they look, because of a country.
Yeah.
And the mother didn't put one cane field, and the cane field burned down and put them say empty.
Yeah.
So we can't crack the whole community.
Yeah.
And when me look, my baby father that me see a come big fat thing, we over across the road.
Would
So
one big fluffy woman?
One big fluffy, when me say fluffy, she could have 3 times me.
Wow.
So me I said, so me I said to me, the mother said, then the XYZ that. The mother said, oh, you tell her one ya so. Raga, me take the picnic and put her down with the man around.
Hold on. You take the what?
The baby.
Yeah.
Me did have her in my hand.
Yeah.
I'm going to put her down in the middle of the road and start run, go to the direction and me see him and the girl a come.
But him and the fluffy a come, yeah.
Him and the fluffy a come hand in hand, mouth to mouth, everything together. Him not see what one because him caught up in the moment.
In the moment, yeah.
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 Brother, it's when we reach here, me and my daughter, that's my daughter is 9. The older daughter, she has 9. And when time I reach near him, Raga, and him see me, I say, me grab him, you see Raga, and I give him some ratty lick. I tell us, Raga, me lick the mag, and I weigh about 90 pounds, you know, I say, the man stress me, because he usually kill me with body, you know. But I start to catch me like,
Well, and them time there, you slim and weigh only 90 pounds. And the woman who you see him with was a big fat fluffy woman. Eh?
She 3 times me.
And that didn't make it hot even more, though.
Because it's a Ragaman family. I moved down from 150 down to 90 pounds. Raga when you see the big fluffy beaver man. Raga when I don't grab sheep first, you know. I grab clean first.
No, the right thing you do. You're the right thing you do. I know the woman you for grab, but you deal with your man. Deal with your man, yeah. Yeah.
Here only get a lick off a she now. She ever come to her and talk about who you, and where you're going for.
She brighty. She never know the 100.
Make her fire, so make her fire. He grab me. I'm a wheel run him. And when I look at my daughter, that I sick on him, my daughter start giving to me, because I start giving she some milk.
Hold on. How old was your daughter? Oh.
She was 9.
And your 9-year-old daughter start beat him. And I saw your whole Fluffy and start whop up Fluffy too, though.
Yes, because she bright, so come put her mouth in there. You see woman and grab up man, you know, shut your mouth and run, go on your way.
Then hold on, then Fluffy did fight you back.
No, she couldn't fight me back her. We don't grab her in her head. She shocked.
She shocked, no.
The Raga dear, so me say my big grab me and he grab me and bigger than me, you know. And you want to little 90 pound me. Me say when the wheel underneath him and I grab her, me say Fluffy take off.
Fluffy run. Men around here, Fluffy run, Fluffy run, run.
Raga when I grab her head. And me tell her say I wheel her and me tell her so when she drop off come back Fluffy take off and never see her back when you
Yo, Fluffy take herself with a quickness,
Fluffy,
no.
but she should have taken herself from day one. She should have said no.
Yeah, from the guitar, no. Well, but based on what you said, you know, you never said Fluffy disrespect you, you know.
She asked who me.
Yeah, because then I must some lie him tell her, of some lie him tell her, you know. A shock, she shock, you know.
Tell her a lie.
Well, when me ask you, Fluffy didn't know about you as in baby mother?
Nobody never know me yet.
Exactly. So now that's why Fluffy shocked. So Fluffy, I said, what is this? Who is this? What's going on here? I shocked, she shocked. Some of the things that Fluffy did at this year. Fluffy did just shock for say, because Fluffy probably think of fear, man.
The eating, this is say, man, the birthday, I see when Fluffy deep away try 3 times.
Well on. Your voice, you think your voice I go in and out. Say that again.
Me say, me did angry. You see a Fluffy diva like she, and him spending birthday with she. Understand me? So I should open my mouth so I didn't want to lick her down.
No, I'll understand. Because we're not this year nothing because as we say it is slim, some of that say you're maga. And if you know say you are 90 pound and him the day they stress you out as we say in Jamaica and make you draw down to nothing. 90 pound and maga down and then you go say him there with this fluffy woman, this proper, full fluffy woman who eat food and she not under no stress and you they stress out with the tree picnic them and thing like that and the thing just reach you and so you just move to because you never move to her for war so she can't knock you either. Yeah.
But as true as a woman, you know once a woman says something, you know say that go step toward it. So.
Yeah.
Put the anger upon her, because I know she first memo to him.
No, but it sound like Fluffy the shock. For say like, what this, what go on.
Him himself did shock. Because as me say, bigger than me.
Yeah.
Grab him up and box him up, the way I box him up, him couldn't even do nothing at the time.
Yeah, Jano. And thing, and so that one day when it done no and Fluffy splurt and thing, wow, you go back down to your yard and you stay up in mother yard and the two of them probably sat out that night, they talk it truth. You never did left him though that time, no, you never left. Why look like he make you go through it though?
And give me good and proper tax free my make the Jamaica and the America.
Okay, so you're not beat him this and thing, all right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself.
No, I mean not in financially, meaning that my life is in a danger with him.
Oh, with some other things, no?
Yes, man.
All right, now say. You see, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, you know, bless you there every day, you know, so you're there every day like a soldier and thing and whatever, you know, so we just know it's a Raga rate and we give thanks, yeah? All right?
Give you the dark rate, but yes, sir.
Give it the what?
I mean, see money card and the dark rate.
Oh, the dark rate. Oh, big. Oh, yes, man. Yes. All right, big up yourself here.
Cool, yeah, man.
All right, cool. Let's have some fun tonight, people. I want to say big respect to all Massive, all crew and thing. Big up all Jamaicans. Big up all Caribbean people. I would have put bubble gum in my mouth. Mine on I make me a blow, you know. Yeah. Mine on I put them thing there and I make it general a blow, you know. Hey. Yo, I want to do. Hey, what kind of one bag of blowing gonna make me do it? Hey, man on yourself, you know, remember says Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth, okay? So you can't have a general do them only for blowing there and thing and whatever, you know. You know, traumatize my mouth when my mouth see them something up on the screen. My mouth, I say, yo, I want to go on. After when I do that, who I make we do that? Who I put that in the video pan way? All them for do that. Don't worry, mouth. Don't. Watch out on a broke one now, we. On a broke one now, we. On a broke. On a go, man. Hey, people love to have us a Raga. Hey, boy, Raga, I'm out of order. I say whatever. I pity them that know say uno more out of order than me. I pity them that know say uno TamFamers more out of order than me. Anyway, in the meantime, we're juggling. Long. I go for a long time. We don't have no nice time, but we've been having nice time since we come here, don't. Greetings. Who there? Who there? Hello. Mel. Good as Mel. Mel, why you not answer your phone? You hear the people in man yard, don't? Mel. The one that Mel are listening show. I know here so she up now and thing like that. Mel,
oh, Lord, that was a mistake.
That was a mistake. Mel, what happened? Eh?
Hi, Raga.
Hi, what's up?
Not much for one.
No day, you're the little one I juggle down.
Mm-hmm.
Everything you eat for morning.
Yeah, eat some East Indian mango right now.
East Indian mango. I wish by the Mel, Jamaica or up here.
Florida.
Yeah, they are Florida. Okay, well, enough East Indian mango down there. It tastes good, it's sweet.
Yep, right from my backyard.
Jesus, oh God, you're wicked. You have your own mango tree in the back of your yard down there?
I have 8 mango trees.
Mel, what you just say? What you just say, Mel? Mel,
8 mango trees.
You have 8 mango trees in your yard?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like you. I don't like you, Mel. I don't like you. I bad mind you right now. Straight bad mind to you. Straight bad mind, Mel. I don't like you. I hate you. No, Mel. You have 8 mango trees in your yard?
Yep.
People hear the woman mouth how she does a sucky mango, man. Lord Jesus. No. People in the ear, Mel. Let Mel say, I have 8 mango trees. Yes, 8 dragon. Yeah. The animal, the way I say eat mango sounds sweet. It's like it's sweet, you know.
Very.
All right, Mel, we're not bad mind you. Yeah, you deserve to eat as many mango as you want, okay? All right, big up yourself, you know. I'm glad you accidentally come up because it sounds like you have a good vibes and thing. But anytime you drop back to Florida, try no say you have to left my mango. If I even quarter dozen put them one side and say so Raga mango them, yeah, nobody touch them. Thank you very much. Please and thanks, okay?
Raga, you know me from New York?
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
I used to come to all of your shows.
Oh, you used to come out and I'm show them. Okay, all right. Then not
Yes.
say a word, man. See? No, man, between me and you know, over the years I've had some, you know, some little experiences with, you know, people who me know before and, you know, some of them you know, then just come out with something where they know if they come out with and thing. I tell people say nobody no more sneaking than me, you know. Me, the sneaking is my hands and I say and thing or whatever because me never do nothing yet. Never deny it right down to the ground. All right, big up yourself here, Mel.
All right, no problem.
No say a word, man. Protection.
All right.
Yes, I. Jah Rastafari, I and I, Selassie I, child. What am I even saying? You know, I'm just such a goofball. All right, here we go. All right, I could see what I'm going on now, people. Let's go. Greetings. Who the Uberman, what I'm going?
Innocent mouth Raga.
That me for tell you, Raga, with I foolishness with you, you know, but I come on, I'm just right here now, you know. I tell you from now.
Yo, thick skin broad pop.
Yeah, right.
Yo, Raga.
What go down, bro?
Happy Father's Day, yo.
It got some man, you know. See him today, I hear, sir.
Yo, me I tell you, yo, them beat me bad one day.
Oh, you mean with the mix up with the dwarf, no?
Yo, it's a good thing you have thick skin, but
Yeah.
yo, when we really comment them, yo.
Well, hold on, them on it to you, though.
Yo, I say, yo, we think my skin very thick, boy, but I tell you.
You see it.
But anyway, yesterday was a good Father's Day because
No, a Sunday was Father's Day, though, you know.
yeah,
Yeah.
Sunday, yeah,
Yeah.
good Father's Day because I get a copy of the book that you have been reading.
The copy of the book where me I read all this time, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
And from what I've read,
Wait there, hold on. Respect Joe. Pondy Rock, me see you, you know. Now worry yourself, you know, KRC Shipping Services, a.k.a. Rocky, a.k.a. Pondy Rock. You know, who when me come back with me show, she set the thing, you know, man. Me I tell her the Pondy Rock mix up all now. Me or something, man. Me don't have Atlanta people and everybody at talk about anywhere me go. Pondy Rock mix up a lead. They have some other one go viral too, you know. But Pondy Rock just gone. Global. Anyway, go and talk that Uber, man.
from what I've read,
Yeah, so what you have read, yeah.
I've got to understand that you didn't read the first page of that book.
No, so what you ask, man? Talk up.
But if you read a book, you're supposed to read the first page. I mean, never hear read out the first page. And all this time, from what I've read. But let me tell people what the first page says.
Yeah, where the first page?
The first page says you must rest your waist and use your face.
Rest your waist and use your face. So,
Yes,
if you're not waist up, you must face up.
Exactly.
Well, yeah, man, then a long time tied up on my show, man. If you can't waist up, the woman, some woman bust it on the show back in the day, you know. I said, Raga, tell the man them say if them now 100 up a thing when them are waist up, then at least them for face up. You understand? So at that the thing goes say face the matter. You need to face the matter. Yeah.
Raga, you know, say when my virgin call me Father's Day.
Yeah.
And them say, boy, church mash up Father's Day.
Wait, what?
Me say, the man tell me, say, I from me a little boy, you know. From me a little boy, I go to church. I one man in a church. Always I get this big gift for the most kids.
Uber man, usually you flow, you know, you talk and stop to them, man. You not flow to them, man.
No, man.
I want to Uber man today. Watch out, you get cut off to rat it. No, you see. You see the last time Uber man called, him a beat people about him they beat the caller before him I say our Wi-Fi, a borrow Wi-Fi she have, you know. You see what I go on. Uber man come and borrow Wi-Fi and whatever. Uber man, fix up your thing, Uber man. Fix up your something, okay. People, catch your ride. Watch your ride, you know, my birthday party. Be excited about it, you know, September 28th, Amazura, Queens, New York. Yeah. I look at buzz a bill already, you know, people them a talk about it. You got to be there. All right, watch your ride, you know. I could go right as I could bring in some mix up, you know, and thing and whatever. And sitting and thing, you know. Atlanta had a wonderful weekend down there. Big up on yourself, you know, and things, see. All right, I could bring in some people, you know. Mix up with say. We should have a topic I work with this week too, you know. Mix up with say. So Raga, yeah, say yeah.
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening to you too. What's up?
You can't hear me?
No, man, I hear you good. What's up? Are you not hear me? Look like.
Mix up for you.
Okay, talk to me, yeah.
All right, it was my birthday the other day, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And my book a hotel.
Yeah.
And Me have a little booty call. So
Yeah,
my book with him and tell him say yeah, me I go up there. So him for come
yeah.
meet me.
If you meet you up at the hotel, yeah.
Yes. So anyway, me did know. Me about 2 nights me book, you know.
Oh, you booked 2 nights. Oh, okay.
Me book 2 nights.
No, hold on. You do something now, your voice. We not hear you.
Me I leave work.
Oh, yeah, we are hear you again. Okay, good.
And the first time I come for your show in a Reggae, you can't hear me?
Yeah, man, we are hear you good, man. Give me the mix up. So you booked 2 nights in the hotel.
All right. I booked 2 nights in the hotel. So anyway, boom now. I call him about, I come from work, I going to the hotel about 9:30.
Yeah,
So me there, me I call him, me I text him not answer.
yeah.
So me there, me I fret, you know, come one little sort out, you know, a long
Yeah.
time, me I get him, you know.
Sure. Yeah.
So anyway, boom, him call me back about 12.
Yeah.
And me I say, babes, you come? Him say, where you there? I say, I'm there at the hotel. He say, you book it? I say, yeah. I say, you know, see my text it the other day. He say, so busy, right? Take time work night. So I say, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, come him say, yeah, he not reach me till about 3.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have a little shower,
Yeah.
put on the sexy lingerie, you know, the one that with like a crotchless and everything.
Jesus. Wait, what was the color? What color?
He likes blue.
Blue is good. Blue are my favorite color, but
Yeah.
but for lingerie, red, white, or black. But anyway, go on.
No, crotchless knickers.
Jesus.
Blue. And then I have one stocking mesh all in one.
Cheese and peace. Me just imagining that, you know, because you ready, you know, man. So.
Listen, what is that thought? Can we get the week off work too?
Yeah.
So I say, yeah, we're gonna plan this nice. So anyway, 3 o'clock in come.
Yeah.
Come say, babes, you have to go get a nice shower. And I say, yeah, man.
Yeah.
And forward in the shower and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then when him come out, he say, I go cream. I say, why you?
Him go what?
I'm cream him. Him go cream him skin.
Oh, like lotion.
Yeah. But remember, you know, I borrow him and my man, you know.
Oh, you never
So,
tell with that. So when
me say to him, say-
hold on, him live with female woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So I said to him, say, B, say if you put on another cream, she not gonna smell. Say, don't worry about that, man. We're good.
Yeah.
Say, all right then. So I start creaming him now, and
Yeah.
you know, I'm a massagist as well. Like I do massage for a living as well.
You're a masseur, okay,
So-
yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I give a little massage and
Nice.
you know, I rub it on and in brother turn up.
Yeah.
But in brother turn up from him come through the door, you know.
Ready.
Me send him in a shower, you know.
Yes, man, yeah.
Now one thing I love about him not see me after, but when he does see me,
Him ever ready.
yeah man, him
Ever ready. Yeah.
And me I jump, you know.
Yeah. Oh, down there, so I
Alright.
jump to down.
She a jump.
She ready now, ready long
everything.
time. Yeah.
So him have a habit when before we start him hours, I tease me. You know, so me put him on the bed.
Well on. Him a tease you and yeah. Some of that I
Him
forgot.
always a tease me, yeah.
Yeah.
Me want it for go right in, you know. but
Nah.
him want play.
Yeah, control auntie. yeah. See? Them time that you prime up
anyway,
and ready down. Oh, man.
Listen, you say me a flu, you know.
Yeah,
And
flow.
him a man, him love surprises. So when him see me in the lingerie, him never know say I crotchless.
Yeah.
So when I go upon him now and me I try put in my man and him a
Yeah,
move
try
it, him
put the
feel, say,
try put the bread in
She
our
ready?
living room. In our living room, yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So me I put my virgin in the living room and I say, oh, you know man up on too? I said, yes, man. I didn't
Scratchless.
go starting touch her.
Yeah, not too much details here, but go on, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. So we did there and him go up on the chest and him, I play with them, I suck them off already and I ragga me ready.
Yeah,
Me
okay.
ready.
Okay, prime up
And him
already.
no want give me the thing.
Yeah.
So eventually I say, all right, B, you see tonight, me I go ride you. Cause he's normally a pleaser.
Right.
I'm always a missionary.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Yes.
What you
So I
mean?
said,
You're
tonight,
always in missionary?
He always he's a pleaser in it, so he's always in control.
Oh, okay, okay.
So anyway, I said, babe, lay down on the bed. And I said, Raga, 45 minutes, me there on the bridge, you know.
Yeah.
Me wet up the place.
Oh my
Every
God.
time I wet up the place. When I said the blanket, like the duvet, the duvet cover was soaked. And when I realized,
What you mean? You're having multiple happy moments?
Multiple.
Just a pop off, so pop off again and pop off. Enough, and then because the body they charge up and ready for explode already, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just have a happy moment.
And remember, you know, when them on top of them take out the girls, them, you know, them enough, you know. I'm like I'm a 42 double H. So you know, say
Hold on. You're a 42 double H?
Yes.
So you're a 42 double H. So when you say him take out the twins them now, and you like that when him take out the twins them and I play the twins them though. Hello, Moto. Yeah.
Remember they on top, you know, so
yeah.
It I'm face him, they on them.
Yeah.
Listen, the more him saw, the more me ask God.
Jesus. Okay. So and then what?
Anyway, I say, all right, B, 45 minutes. I say, B, I'm tired now, you know.
Yeah.
So we go up on our backers. And then come. By this time when he come, me a shake, you know.
Yeah.
But me still want more.
You still want more?
So him say,
oh, you.
Yeah, Raga, me name. He come.
What?
He come ever ready, always one. Greedy cunt.
Jesus, you're such a glutton. You're such a glutton. But anyway, so you want more after all them time there and them thing down the 10 million time them where you pop off and thing, you still want more.
Remember me pop off enough, I want more.
Oh my God. And
so you said to him, say, all right, give me 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So I said, all right then. I said, play with her then, no babes.
No, we no. Yeah, not we no. You know, not in the detail. You know, not giving
but
the
you
detail.
see right there, sir.
Yeah.
In play to me nearly bust a poop. Raga. In play to me have to scream and tell him to stop.
Well, are you telling me? Say in play with the little pleasure spot there and thing where they right above the entrance to the living room. In play with it so much till you nearly do up yourself. What are they? I have never heard. No pun intended. I've never heard stuff like that before. Anything can go, sir.
I swear to you, Raga.
Well, in play.
I come so much till me I scream and I say stop.
Wait. You tell me say you pop off so much till you nearly do. You pop off enough till you nearly do. Jesus, I'm God. You know, say it's like say you explode and everything have to come out. Everything have to come out. What happened?
I me feel like me get the 2 months me not see him in a one night.
Jesus, I'm pissed.
Well,
don't move on.
You know, you see.
Yeah, go on, try.
Bear in mind, you see, when you're in like a hotel,
Yeah.
it's a different feeling. And you're free. Your mind is free.
Yes.
Because that's how I thought that when me get it different from the usual time.
What, was it primarily because
I
of what
never done this, sir.
you never done? What you mean you never done? There is more.
Raga, there's more. Me not get a gossip yet, man.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah. You want to talk
So
then?
anyway.
Yeah.
All right.
So
then Raga, we rest for about half an hour.
Half an hour.
So you know the second time at the sweetest sound, oh.
No, you know, everybody said that. I mean, I don't tell people, you know, I mean, you're Raga one pop. But anyway,
so
go on.
That position, yeah.
Yeah.
Me lay up on my back, like missionary.
Yeah.
But this time I close my leg. So him there behind me. And me a Raga in my sink, and me a wet, and me a soak, and me a...
No, hold on. You say you lay down on your back.
Yes, and he's between my leg, but then I close my leg. So my leg upon him shoulder.
Oh, okay, I understand what you say. Yeah, right.
All right.
Yeah.
So in my sink and I sink. But it's like I couldn't close my leg for too long because it's so sweet.
Yeah,
You
because I
understand?
tighten
Them
up
push
something
me
to make it
hand and
nicer. Yeah. Yeah.
By this time, she a different size now, you know. So
Hold on. You mean Miss Lady down? Hold on, Miss Lady down there, so now she get a different size now.
She raised, she swells.
Well, yes, we understand that. Yes.
Yeah. So when I put my hand underneath my bum and raise up my bum a little bit so it can go a little bit deeper. You understand?
What? You know, say you're bad,
so
though.
once I get a little sort out here,
yeah.
Raga, the phone ring. Cause you know when you reach the end now, cause you know it's sweet, you know. Cause the 2 hours we are. I said, babes, it's that one, yeah. Why me if it reach the same time, you understand?
Yeah.
I said, all right, B. So I'm in there, I'm nearly reaching, you know. Then the phone I ring. No wife I ring. Me I said, B, you know, answer it, you know. Because I want to reach before she answer. You understand?
Before him answer, yeah.
So before him answer, yeah. So anyway, I said, B, me dead and me reach right there. So you notice it's like it's a mental thing when you know say somebody a call, cause she gonna call again. It's like you just I can't explain it. That feeling is like you're gonna reach, but you're gonna reach hard.
Yeah, it's nice. I don't cause she call and you work it, she call and you work it.
Cause she call
the pop off you have to come.
And he can't say nothing cause I'm in there.
Yeah, so she a call for him to come, but you are wait for come and to make him come too. So everybody want to come. Everybody want.
All right.
Everybody want
so
to.
Eventually, I said, B, may I come now?
Yeah.
I said, all right, B, may I come too? Raga, the come was different. Cause me a queen the same time me I come to, you know. And him said, B, we reach. And the 2 hours let out like, oh, you know that song there?
Yeah. Yes. I read about it. Yeah.
You read about it.
Yeah.
So anyway, the 2 hours come, yeah?
Yeah. Together.
And then
Together.
Oh, that was nice.
That was so sweet for your birthday.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
I still remember it today, and I get the butterfly. Everything.
Yeah.
So anyway, she called again. So this time I put on him pants and everything. Him done shower everything again.
Yeah.
So she called back and him answer the phone, but it's not, you know when you can hear the belt buckle make noise and the TV on. And I said, B, she not gonna hear them something. Them say, no worry, man, she good, man. I say, all right, see, as long as me happy and you happy, me not worry about anything else.
You know how make it bad, are you? Okay.
No. So anyway, him get ready and him left. Raga, this is the exciting bit now. Remember me tell you the
Hold
salt
on,
me get last night that me I making up.
hold on. So after all of what you tell me, you're just getting to the exciting part now, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now onwards to the climax now. Yeah.
So me I look for part 2, which will be on the birthday. Remember the second, me get it on the birthday around 3 in the morning, but me want in the morning again.
So you want to go home and come back the same night because of 2 nights.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So anyway, around 11 o'clock me hear my hotel door knock. I'm open the door. It's the hotel manager. So I said, hello, good morning. How can I help? She said, oh, madam, were you smoking? I said, no, I don't smoke. Well, I suspect that you were smoking, and because I've suspected you, you have to leave. I said, I'm evicting you. What do you mean you evict me? She said, yeah, because she suspect me of smoking, she's evicted me. I said, listen, me not leave. The only way I'm leaving is if you call the police to get me out of here. Raga, at 3 hours, I sit down there, she said, I wait for the police, So when the police come, I explain to the police officer, I said to him, sir, I've been here for 2 nights. Why is it tonight? Why is it today is the day I'm going to start smoking? And I didn't smoke last night or yesterday. And I said, well, it's private property. I have to leave. So I said to the officer, I said, officer, you know why she's evicting me? But they dip on one proper salt out last night for my birthday, yes, sir? And she was probably too embarrassed to tell me, say, I was too loud or the neighbors may have complained to her that I was
that siren that will come, the police is not for you, yeah?
Keep me out of the hotel.
Right.
No, enough for me.
No, I'm joking. Go on.
You know, so them keep me out of the hotel because me I make up nice.
Can't go on by the night before. So so basically, she
I'm a take till me scream and a ball.
Okay. Well, I'm breeze are blowing on your phone here. Hello?
I nearly reach home anyway. Walk all the way from work.
Oh, okay. No, what happened was she knows she can't tell you. She's not allowed. Well, they do have noise ordinances. They do have noise ordinances where them can. The truth is, some hotel can have you removed for say you've been making too much noise because them post a sign for say after 11 or something or whatever. But for whatever reason, based on the law over there, the car they should drop and you forget you out because she can. They can say, no, you're not allowed to smoke, and you're smoking, so you have to leave. So it look like she draw the card upon you for you come out and thing. I probably bad mind, and I probably should not get nothing. Probably she go through one piece of drought there. Yeah, probably at the Sahara Desert and there, and she come take set for you because I don't drive your thing there. You understand? She a wicked. Yeah, she a wicked. A bad man, she bad man, because you did I get it good and thing and whatever, and whole night. And she probably sit on and I be like, can you see them people that make video like, Jesus Christ, can't they stop? I want to sleep. And they just keep going and going and going. And you did go on bad. You have to admit, though, you did go on bad the night before, though.
I did.
You did go on bad. But you sound like, you did get a, so wait, you never get for do nothing the second night. Eh? Hello?
No.
Oh, you sound so.
You have a booking this weekend. You have a booking this weekend, so a general for forward this weekend, though. Hello? Hello? No, man, you get distracted, man. You get distracted now, man. Come, man. Raga, you can hear me?
Yeah, man, but yeah, you did that do something and I get distracted, yeah. Hello?
No, me lose signal.
Hello?
Me lose signal.
Oh.
You can hear me now?
No, me I hear you. Yeah, me I hear you. Yes, so what you say now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So me I say me for the last on the 4th. Me I make out for this weekend.
All right, then I say a word, man, and thing. I go on good again, see? But last question, though.
Oh yeah.
Last question here.
Mm-hmm.
So this thing I with him, you know, it's just like a little sort out link or somebody who you really care about, auntie.
Yeah, someone them really care about. Wife, you know me.
Eh?
Another story.
Okay, all right. So wife you know about
Wife,
you?
know me too, so that's
Wife you know you
a
too?
different story.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, I look like we lose her this. Something. Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you have to go link you back one next time and tell about that, you know, or wife come for know you and all them something. Hello? Hello?
I'm say nothing.
You send it, but you come, but you depend it door. Sharika, what happened?
What go on, Aja?
I love when I catch you the same. After me never say nothing, so my name gets up there. What go on, you good? Eh?
Yeah, me never send it for real, me just watch it thing.
All right, now say a word, you know. All right, big up yourself here. All right. Yeah, man, when you not like the live, make sure say when you pay attention, so you end up send me a request, because when I bring you in, if you not do anything, so you not do, you don't want to touch that phone, you're going to send me a request and bring you in, because I tell them from now, anybody me bring in and me here I go and me not saying nothing, me I go sit down right just and listen. Me I go listen. Okay, I'm going to business. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Mix up with the Ragashanti live on TikTok. Muddy. Let's go.
Raga.
Nikki Couture. What go on, Nikki?
That's it, man. That's a bless you and bless up the people.
You see.
Text me and say, no more story.
Eh?
They said the more story me have. You know, if it's a story from my page, must come over Raga contact. But so no love me, man.
You
Every day
see.
people have me intact. Look here now, come over Raga, make me come over Raga contact the story.
I saw it go, man. Them know the thing set, you know. So I go on, Bobo. Everything balanced.
Man, me there, go and bless up. Me there, go and bless up. Go and listen to the program and tap in.
You see it. Give thanks and thing, man. You know it go see it. All right.
That's it, man. One code.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Nikki Couture. You don't know the thing set, you know. One family, one umbrella and thing. Bless up here.
All right, my brother.
Yeah, man. Love and honor, man. Cool.
All right.
Nikki turn over a place what there. You see it. All right, man. Go see what I go on now. Mirati, they never did want to come up down. Eh? Eh? Where you clap for? Where you clap? What go on? Eh? Sugar. Sugar, stop going like you don't want to answer me, you know, Sugar. Stop going like you don't want to answer me.
No, wrong request.
What you mean wrong request and whatever about Mirati and you go like you don't want to answer me and thing and whatever. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No, I don't want to. Sugar, me hear you lick something a while ago. Sugar, hold on. Where you lick a while ago? The barrel we have on your TV?
No.
Eh?
No, I need to call work and the laugh after me come in there work and me try to tap up his screen and go send you a request.
Well, big up your good co-worker. Them, you know, tell them say Raga love and rate them. Okay, all right?
Thank you.
All right, then big up yourself, Sugar. One Sugar. All right, them for no.
All right.
All right, Sugar frighten your frig. She has a Raga no change at all. No, man, we're there. We've grown somewhat. But, you know, And we used to fun, you know, laugh, learn, and grow. Raga non-stop laugh. Know that. Know that.
All right, people, tap the screen. Everybody tap the screen.
Hello?
All right, people.
Yeah, hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes?
I have been listening to you. I just wanna see if you could read my book.
You call me for see if I can read your book. Eh? Eh? God, like she cut. That must sound too firm with her, you know? Oh! I think I know who this, you know.
Baby diploma, Raga.
Baby diploma in that place. Wagwan, baby diploma. What you say?
Wagwan, Raga, wagwan.
You know, some day I give thanks, just feeling blessed. You know, feeling blessed. You know, cut and go through as usual. You see me?
Yeah, man. Raga, me have a little small piece. Everything we I tell you, Raga, about myself and I drop this.
See it there? We could hear it, man. Say that.
Raga.
Yeah.
One time I talk to this girl now.
Yeah.
You know, she have a piece of land and she have a house and they help her build up her house and them thing there.
Yeah.
And the house finish up.
Mm-hmm.
And then he tell me I must help her put on a shop on the building.
Right.
Put on the shop now, Raga, and stack out.
Uh-huh.
And stack out. For family land in Raga.
Yeah.
Raga. After me stack out now, Raga, he tell me say we have to fence up piece of land.
Yeah.
So we buy some barbed wire and fence around.
Yeah.
So my boss now look at me and say, boy, let me tell you something. You see, anytime you buy, you depend on family land and you go buy barbed wire and fence out the land, you fence out yourself. So me I say, no man, no go so.
No, but hold on, you remember you did tell with that one here, you know.
No man, the one that the girl take me out of bed, in my man.
Yes, man, you tell with that one here, man.
No man, the one me tell you, Raga. And the baby diploma.
No, we hear this. Look in our chat. You see it? You see a bunch of people that say you did tell me already, don't?
Oh, well, Raga.
And hold on. I me tell you say true you attack. You see, everything when you say so far, I eat exactly what you did say. All I want to talk about, you know, never hear and whatever, this and that and thing and whatever, you know. Bill, remember, I said hundreds of people over here, them did hear it already. Again, if you want to hear all of the show them were there, when we do on TikTok, them over YouTube at TamFam TV. Again, let me say that again. All of the show them when we do over here, all when you hear baby diploma call in already and turn over a place with fee Mixup. Them over YouTube at my channel name TamFam TV, TamFam TV. When you go over there, subscribe to the channel and listen to thing them, right? When you go over there, subscribe to the channel over there and listen to thing them, all right? Them over there. No, man, you tell you already, and you see same way how you say it, as someone know what you tell, because the same thing you did say. All right?
Raga, I'm going to tell you what next one about my brethren.
Yes, yeah,
right?
Yeah.
But this I don't know, woman mix up. This is my brethren that get a farmer ticket.
Yeah.
And in do something, Raga, in Kingston Airport.
Yeah.
So when he got Kingston Airport now,
in book on from the plane, so the plane fly come a Montego Bay.
Yeah.
So when he catch a Montego Bay now, Braga and thinks America in there, he go run off a plane.
But
So,
no
when he go
farmer.
run off
Oh, so him come off, yeah. Okay, go on.
So when he run off a plane now, Raga, he start walk up and down in a Montego Bay square. And he start look around and say, oh, place like this, look over here like Jamaica. So when he look him back up and next to my friend, and he next to my friend, he say, oh, Dudu, I never know that you're over here. So Dudu realize now. I don't know what I say. He went to go, so Dudu say, yeah man, I'm over here too. So when he see Dudu choke now, he said, Dudu, how you get this thing over here? Yeah, Dudu say, okay man, I bring it over here with me too. So he said, all right, Dudu say, why? I'm going to take you on them. I'm going to carry you. Go put you up and wish
Hold on. The man did for go foreign by farm work and come off a Montego Bay and reach outside and end up and have this long conversation with somebody I don't know, say him not there foreign.
I don't know, say no they are foreign.
I lie them I tell you about that. Lie them I tell you with a one day. The lie them I tell you with.
Mr. Serious sitting.
Listen, when me I say for him come out well I know man, you know hear what me I say. For him come out of the plane, remember him have to go through what name there, you know. Him have to go through well if
Raga,
him hold on man.
Years ago one time, you remember the plane them usually come.
No,
the
you
plane usually come like a man to go be
No.
The airport they walk going without this. Years ago.
No, well, I understand that. What I'm saying is the progression where him have to go through and the different things them where him have to go through. I find it hard to believe him go through all of that without realizing say him still there Jamaica. And then reach outside and then still not realize him there Jamaica. And I have an extended conversation and still not realize him there Jamaica. That sounds too incredulous to be true, Papa.
It's still
listen, you say, yeah, stubborn up a thing, you know. Yeah, stubborn up a thing, you try all the time. But me I tell you, say, common sense tell us that that can't be the case. Right?
But Raga, a fax cast and another joke thing me I tell about.
No, you and me I say no man. You say what you I say, and me say what me I say. What me I say is, you hear what me just say a while ago? When the plane land, first of all,
that's the situation we are saying.
Yeah, well I know man.
I don't know how he got through.
Well I know when you take off from Kingston, you know, and if you are go, cause them days you did that flight where you really go Mobi and pick up more people and go, right? But when that flight there alone is about 20 minutes, you know, 15, 20 minutes, you know. Half, you know, the most, depending on which plane you're in. So from the plane land so quick, them announce where you land and whatever and this and that, right? And then if you have to come off now, you have to go through custom because it's already an international flight. So it can't be no local Tinsipen flight or whatever. So he would have had to gone through the Jamaican sitting there to say, oh, welcome to Jamaica and whatever and thing like that. So then I'm going to tell him, say, Jamaica, you're there. So we don't even want to spend no more time on that one because, you know, it can't make sense. And then him go through all of that at Jamaica, come out and say, yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's a word, man. See, big up yourself, man. Cool. All right, on the follow me, I say, people, yeah, they did have those flights back in the day. You fly from Kingston, go Montego Bay. You go New York, you go Miami, you go whatever. But it stop at Montego Bay, right? And yeah, it's a thing where people talk before to say people come off and think them they're foreign or whatever. But I say for you, the plane land, you know, you go somewhere and it land, you know, 20 minutes after, right? So you think say you're there foreign or whatever. For you come off and thing and whatever, them always announce and I say, you know, them look at thing when them say, you know, passengers disembarking, this and that, welcome to Montego Bay and whatever. That's what them do. Tie the plane. Anybody tell the plane what I want, the plane land, them say, welcome to so and so and so and so. That are the first thing. So then you come off to Tamara, but it can't happen. Me say somehow, you know, on a real kunoforo, you know, yeah, it can happen, but what is the likelihood you go through all of that? and then end up outside. You hear? Make him talk, you know, till the person outside. And the person have an extended conversation with somebody who them know outside. Remember I said the person that go foreigning up on farm work, you know, and have an extended conversation with somebody outside. What's the likelihood of that happening? You don't use no common sense, no people. Well, me and you can disagree this, so. Right? Me and you can disagree this, so. Right? Me and you can disagree this, so. People make mistakes. People, yeah. People come off with them not for come off. People come off a plane with them not for come off in transit. You know, like plane, land and whatever. It happens. Right? But you talk about somebody who come from Jamaica and whatever. And I care now say people don't have no sense and whatever and all this thing and whatever and them come out. Make him talk, you know. The person outside. Right? First of all, when you go on farm work, people meet you when you reach. Right? You always have people meet you and say, this are the group or whatever. I saw the thing. People meet you when you reach. So this person come out and walk on them own and go buck up a friend and just have a casual conversation. When them did I go on farm work? Like seriously? No. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. I'm going to hold hard in for that one day. I don't buy it. See, the dancer, it's an old makeup joke from way back when. Yeah, me heard that
Hey,
joke.
Raga, good evening.
Wagwan. Wagwan.
What's up, Raga?
But there you know what I say.
Mr. Raga, long time want to join the live.
Yeah. I see you reach the front eye line, you know.
Mr. Raga,
Yeah.
may I tell you, Mr. Raga, I have a piece of mix-up video
Say that.
with me and this girl.
Yes. But you have some nice around you. You can't, well, you have some nice around you. You can't move her from your nice around you.
Me and this boy did it, right?
Yeah.
But me never know about nice.
Yeah.
Hold on the Raga, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear me now, Raga?
No, me hear you know, we just hear the vehicle them too. And then, yeah, we are hear
Don't
the.
jump off, you know. All right, you hear me now?
No, man, we are here, you know, we just hear the nice too with the vehicle them and thing, here.
Mr. Raga, me have a piece of mix-up video.
Yeah.
Me and this boy did it, right?
Yeah.
And the boy, me not lie, no, me did love the boy in a Raga.
Yeah.
So, me I say, yeah, everything mucho with me and the man. You don't know when you know, say, you're uptown girl, you're up there with the man. And the man, you not hide you, him up there with you.
See.
So the man introduced me to this girl and say, I'm cousin, we come from foreign.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
So the girl come down now. So when the girl book in and come in at the home, which part me and him live, me I say, yeah, family, because they don't know she greet me as cousin or what I call it, some in-law business.
Yeah.
So me I say everything much. Then time in a Raga, the girl and the man they not me no know nothing about it in a Raga. Anyway, reach a one day, I go work and come back from work, Raga. It so happened that me realize him always find himself sick from the girl come here.
Yeah.
He not feel good, him can't kind of construction in a Raga. Him can't go work again. Him not feel good. You understand me as a Raga?
Right.
So
right.
all of a sudden me I say, no sir, this not right. From your family come here, you're sick so.
Yeah.
Then time at the time when them used to get together, you know, to do what them are doing a Raga.
Okay.
Here you know Raga. So one day you know, me leave work and come in. Him tell me say him a go over the clinic to get some medication, something because him feel like him pressure higher or low or something.
So all this time where the girl a stay, where she a stay?
At the house so we live in a same house, because me and him live in the same house.
So the same house, one thing and whatever, this and that.
Yes, we live in the same house, Raga.
So
anyway,
when she didn't know what she sleep, when she have a different
she
room.
stay in one next room, because it's a 3-bedroom in a Raga.
Okay, all right then, go on.
It's a 3-bedroom, you know, because him have a son, so when his son always come over, his son stay in another room there. So
right.
Me have to say a him son room.
Jesus God, Jen, no. Jen, forward, Jen. Make back the connection. Send back the connection. Jen, you get cut off. Jen, send back the connection. Ah, Sita. All right.
Sorry about that. My phone get. You don't know, so the Wi-Fi go on with itself. Anyway.
Yeah, all right.
Me as a Raga.
Yeah.
As when me say, the man have a room for his son.
Right.
So that room different from the next room. So if nobody ever come over the yard, you don't know. That's especially the guest room that daddy there. So she coming at the guest room.
Right. Okay.
Okay, you don't say a family. Me don't really know a whole line family, but me know a family them my mother's side, but me don't know a family them my father's side like that.
Right.
So anyway, the boy come a yard. No, he got clinic the day and tell me say I go check up on him pressure or something because I don't know why his head constantly hurt him.
Right.
So he reached to a test now. Me leave work early that day there.
Mm-hmm.
So me think say everything good. So me I come home to come ask him where the nurse them say and what's the result of why his head constantly hurting. Because when me say a friend the girl come here, him head hurting.
All of a sudden him head hurting from she read. From the cousin come.
Things are going. Me not know what go on, you know.
Yeah.
I never just pick up what go on.
Yeah.
So the day when I come from work now, I realize say the girl in the room with me and him sleeping now. So I say, me not really to pick up nothing, you know, because no family have discussion sometimes, you don't really want to interfere.
Yeah.
So it so happened that she was in a towel. So she claimed to say she used that it's like a 2 bathroom upon the house, you know, based on all the section of the house stay. So the bathroom that built in that room, you have a room and you have a bathroom built inside the room.
Right.
And a bathroom that she chose to use. The boy know, not even say boy, my man.
Yeah.
The man did it, you know, and the woman come out of the bathroom. Yeah, so she surprised when me papi because she not expect me to reach home so early because them don't know my time schedule. She don't know my time schedule because me always leave work 7 o'clock and me leave work 5 o'clock that day.
That day there, yeah.
Yes. So the man know when we pop the door, the house door, the grill they pull, so I come in because me not have to knock at my house, me have key.
Yeah.
So when me go in now, Raga, me bust the door. Me see her come out of the bathroom now with all runner. So me never really take up nothing too much, Raga.
Yeah.
I don't speculate about nothing much.
Yeah.
Because me I say a family, maybe discussion. But it's so funny that him never get the chance to put on back in pants, him in a underpants, while she wrap up in a towel and come out of the bathroom.
Yeah.
So me I find something fishy go on, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, so me I say, no man, this don't look right. In my editor bother me, you know, but me not say nothing.
Yeah.
So me just come in and me say, good evening. Me put on my bag and thing. I go back in the living room and I go in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
But some reason my feelings feel upset. I go take a glass of water out of the fridge. Because me I wonder if me I think funny.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, you think you done yet? It's spicy as hell. Me say, Raga, the night, no, we come like you sitting and ride me, me. I say, oh, yeah, and your cousin, she have a bathroom, with a guest room bathroom, and use the personal bathroom when me and you sleep now. And I said, this strange man.
Yeah.
So, one morning, me decide, say, me go call in and tell my boss, say, me sick. Because I just really want to find out what I'm going.
Right, yeah.
So, me tell him, say, nobody drop me at work, you know, because I'm driving, as I say, I'm do construction.
Mm-hmm.
Me nobody want to drop me. Me tell him I will take taxi, so nobody carry. Cause like how you head hurt you. Cause I want to see the game when I'm up to in the Raga.
Yes.
So me take the taxi. So me like go up on Mullines Road, Raga, and come off of the taxi and book back a taxi, go back down a yard.
Yeah.
So when me go down a yard, no Raga, me say Raga, my heart nearly drop out of my chest, all my fishy drop, everything drop. Me say Raga.
No, well on. You say when you go back to your yard and whatever, your heart nearly drop out of just all your chun nearly drop out from. Listen to me, man. Like everything a collapse now. Everything a collapse now.
When me see.
What you say?
Raga, when me see Raga.
Mama, what you say?
Everything vessel brain.
What
everything that shake.
Yeah, girl.
What you
So
see?
me say, Raga, you don't know what me see?
What you see?
Me say when me go in the room, me say, Raga, me hear the me I think say I some movie I watch.
Yeah.
When me go in the room, the man a pump the woman back and forth back. Me say, Raga, all me say, Raga, me could turn up good. Me nearly faint. Me I say, then this a man your family ram in my head, you know, cause me don't know how am I gonna explain this to me, you know.
Well, now what kind of position she did, you know?
Raga, she dey on the bed edge.
Jesus.
She bend,
No, well on. Other
me say,
style.
Raga, other position they kill me, you know.
What you
the
mean?
woman egg off on the bed edge.
No.
And him stand up, you know, on the tile, you know.
Him stand up on the floor.
Strike her, you know.
No, well on. So him have well on. Listen me, no man. Listen me.
Yeah.
What you say? Him have me know that style, you know. So him have her at the edge of the bed.
You know when you catch a woman on the bed edge.
Well on, man. So, you know, listen to me. You just attack.
Yeah,
what I say is, him catch her up on the bed edge and then her bed edge and then her foot up on thing and him stand up on thing, don't it?
Yes. Same way.
Yeah, I want bad style that still in. I mean, no say the mass
Mr.
up
Raga, it nearly kill me, Raga.
Jeez.
Me say the position nearly kill me, Raga. Me knee everything shackle.
You did ever get them style from him?
Boy, me get him, I love it, no, so me never expect him to share it. Raga, me say the man I use my favorite position them when me life make me come.
Right. So
but
what?
Anyway, one piece of war, me could do all it. Me get aggressive, Raga. Me say me real over, you know, man. And me start chip some bad word in a Raga. And me start fling from left to right, you know. Me and the woman talk war in a Raga.
Yeah,
so me say me never know your family, Ram. So she give out and say, and a family ram a long time, me and him there, Ray. I told me go foreign and every time I come from foreign, bray. Me say, Raga, me say the woman go even answer me, make it even worse. Me say, a one piece of war, me mash up everything in the house, you know, in the bedroom.
So so she did fight your back? She did fight your back?
Me say, Raga, the woman give me a thumb.
Oh,
when the woman give me the thumb the first time in my head to rot it, me feel like everything me see twinkle. But me can't lose my grounds. Me get up back and me thump her back. And him come in there, me start thump him and me a thump her, she a thump him and me a thump her. So it's how we a beat him up and we a beat up one another.
Jeez, I mean, me know them kind of
fight. The fact that she jealous, the fact that say me live with him.
Yeah,
so
but
Raga,
yo,
boom snow, neighbor call police and police get involved. Cause me left here at me. So me end up got doctor, she got doctor. Well, I reach in the hospital. The man make a report say we have to go pay for damage them we making at the house. You don't know, say Raga.
Who make report? He make report to the police.
A joking thing.
Yeah, I must joke that.
Raga, when we got hospital, the man press charge for me and the woman. Because right now, you know, he might try to find a way to get her out of this saga, you know.
But,
you know, so the hospital now, the woman there at the hospital, me and the woman at the hospital, him there at the hospital. So him confused. Him don't know what to do. Him don't want to let go she because she a money woman. Me a money woman, but look like she make more money.
Hold on. You when you talk to me, if you listen, you did not spend on him too, talk it truth. You did not spend money on him too?
No, you know, say for you there with that man, you know, he might take care of you, you take care of him too.
Okay.
Because you have time when we just leave work, and me tell him, say, me could go on dinner date, we go eat. So me go tell you what go on.
Well, no, your friend just say like a buy. Well, no, your friend who listen say like you look like a buy. You buy the body. Hold on. See
the man don't want to Raga. The man don't want to bash.
Raga.
Well,
I see the girl, you know, me I tell you say, me not done friend, you know, but she don't even want me wait. To tell you what going through the hospital because when the police them charge you, you know. Me and her come to a agreement, you know, because me I tell her, say this man I take off for eat that. Me did there wash, cook and clean and anything me give him. If the man want on me upside down, me give me. Everywhere. I when me tired, me tell him if you just Drop the drawers one side and push it in. And work your way out.
Yeah, me know that side. Sometimes you don't even have to take it off. You just slide it one side. Yeah,
man.
me read about them.
You know, so when we in the hospital now, me and the woman is like, me never want to pay no money because as I say, some expensive stuff they get damaged in there. Because all the AC were on the wall over the bed, that tear off of the wall. I know me don't know how should I tear it off.
So
right?
hold on. The woman we talked a while ago, she was a person?
Yes, me and her turn friend. Me and the woman are friend right now.
But hold on.
Me and...
Now, let me ask you something, man. She just said you for talk the truth that you were a body buyer. Were you a body buyer?
All right. No, that's what she claimed to say. She always tell me, say, I buy me that buy him body.
But we're talking God truth. So were you a body buyer?
No, me never buy the body. Me never look the man with no money. The man look me.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But Mr. Sam is a really hard-working man in a Raga.
Yeah.
And him clean. Me like when man clean.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
He's a man that put together, you know. So me understand when she want a piece of him, you know.
Yeah.
Me understand that because he's a put together man.
Right.
But the girl there, you know, she named Sasha. Tell him you're a part of the story.
Me never telling no part, girl, because I don't know some of the wife. Me did the
wife. Sasha what? Sasha.
Raga, I'm the wife. Raga, I'm the wife.
No, but what me I say is, which one I want to sort out was the wicked I sort out? Talk the truth. Huh? Which one I want to sort out was the wicked I sort out?
No more she.
What fear I sort out did better than your one?
No.
No, okay, you never know when me ask you a while ago, auntie.
But I mean, spend money on me at the foreigner.
Okay, you was a foreigner. So you did a spend on him to talk the truth. Sasha.
And me said everything, all the way at the house, my money buy it, everything.
So, but it don't make sense then that him did that to ask you for pay back money on him. So, that don't make sense.
The boy trick way.
But anyway, on a friend it out do and on a balance up on the thing right, you know, so big up on yourself, you know, here. All right?
Yeah, I told we end up married the boy. We still have him right now.
That don't make no sense what you said to me. All right, big up on yourself, here.
All right.
Somewhere in there is the truth, and somewhere in there some things are contrived. Sometimes you can't tell certain things are going to happen, you know. You see, once somebody starts...
Good night, Raga.
Wait, the one, may I come there? You see, once somebody starts sell the mix-up before them tell the mix-up, always, it always end up where them do too much or whatever, or no sound balance or whatever. Once you hear somebody come, Raga, I have the one that's exciting and the one that's this and that one. Once you hear, then the focus is to perform rather than just tell the mix-up, right? Once you hear somebody come on and them start big up the mix-up before them tell the mix-up. I always use Rocky as an example. Rocky come on, Rocky just talk. Rocky now big up herself and I big up the mix-up or not. She just I tell you what happened. Anything shot. Yeah, all right? Anytime a caller come in and I announce, oh, this is the wickedest thing you ever hear and whatever. Always. All right? So if I did sound there, nobody call. Right? But when people call and you tell you the truth about something what happened. Because the people who tell the truth, I feel them things shot. All right? I can almost guarantee if you call for us perform and sound certain way and Ray and nothing no go so. We are going to pick it up. All right. Talk to me, I know. Mm-hmm. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, what go on?
May I tell you that little story about my life, right?
Yeah.
I did look a bit younger in my 20s. I'm not old enough, I'm just reaching at the 30s.
Right.
So, anyhow, my fall in a little difficulty at home, they at home and look a problem. And why me a echo box? So?
We are hear you good, you know. Just work with it, because we are hear you good,
Okay.
here? Yeah. Some people hear an echo, but we are hear you good. We not hear no echo, here? Go on, ta.
All right. So anyhow, my cousin and my friend, she said to me, say, "Mom, for come a Mandeville."
Yeah.
And I say, all right, may I come down there. Anyhow, I go down there, and you know, say, a new girl on the block, be a man want to run them someday. You know, say, man, not at all, I have a baby.
Yeah.
But at the time, I have my first son, I'm 13 now. So, anyhow, we did, we are going, we are going party to party. I can't take the nightlife, God no. I can't bother with that. Anyhow, I finally go. One night, we got one bar. We got a bar. This big man come up to me, him dirty, like never clean. Him then a dirty clothes, but a working man. Them a work at the Alpart company.
Yeah.
So him drive the truck, the water truck, the gas oil truck as service man, right?
Yeah.
Him come in and I used to smoke them time there. So I beg him buy me 1 10 pack of Mataran. And him say no one buy me a cigarette, he might buy me any amount of liquor what I want. Anyhow. We did a talk, chit chat till him beg me my number.
Yeah.
But tell me I not have no credit and my uncle use like $1,000 credit. Them time they service you have to put on. When me reach down at my auntie, the man really send the credit, $1,000 credit.
Yeah.
Even $1,000, $1,500 credit.
Yeah.
My cousin come to me and said to me, say, girl, you see the man where you that talk to in at the bar? I see my give him number, delete it, don't talk to him because I'm a friend, man. Look when I'm from head to toe, I say, what you say? Are your friend man and not your man? So you know, say that off limit, are your friend man, not your man. So anyhow, but tell her to delete the number over her, because she did it and nag me. Never delete the number, the man just send me credit.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 because the man knows I love party. Man say, I don't want you go get no liquor from the man and them something. Anyhow, the man rent house and put me because he really don't want me to part with my friend them what I have. Rent house and put me. He take care of my son.
So him rent house and put you there and take care of your son. So basically, you and him get involved.
We're there now. We're there.
Right. So uno start do it
when
and
the
them
girl
something. Hold on. Uno start
Yeah.
hide and do it and them things there and whatever, right?
No, my brawling with my thing, but I hide with nothing.
Oh, so you and him there out and bad?
Yeah. I go straight to the girl and tell her, say, oh, you see the man where you say you have, and a your man no more, and mine. But tell her brawling in front of her sister, everybody.
What you say you do?
But tell her brawling, so the man where you say you have, and a your man no more, and mine.
Okay. All right. And then so you and him out and a thing up front and thing down.
I take the man completely right over. Remember say she a little penny, she don't really have sense, you know. She can't handle them money there. She can't handle that. Never take over the man. Remember the man have money. Never take over the man completely. We can't make him a share.
What you mean she can't handle the money there? How old she was? I
don't know about 17 in her 17, 18.
Oh, okay. So what you say she not deserve to have man with them breed of money there and whatever, though.
She can't manage that. She a little pitney. She go and go run wild.
Okay, all right. So what happened after that then?
Anyhow, I have the man, right? Back and forth at town, because I do look business. Back and forth at town. One, I have the key for theme house.
Yeah.
One night, I come down. Late. Him don't know say me I come down. I'm a suspect look a fishy something I go on with the man, you know. So you don't know, so I come down late one night. Late, last bus I take reach from from town to Mandeville. When I go around my yard, I go push in my key in the door. I hear talking in the house. The talking in my ear in my house have one woman voice. I hear So I push the key and I try to pull the door, but them lock the door inside the latch. So anyhow, I knock it so I hear her say, you know, pull the door and you hear somebody and
Yeah.
bam, when we try to speed up the story, bam, him pull the door. When he pull the door, remember, I go see the woman sit down on the bed, I see him with food and all kind of stuff like, me I say, yo, Cotton, I want to go on there, so. They must say, if that humble man, you know, him kind. It's because him kind, everybody take him for idiot, you understand? They don't know, say, the woman they are telling me, oh, long she and the man, they this and that. But just start lick the whole of them.
Well, the woman is who?
Who is the woman? Broken glass.
Well, who is the woman?
She said she and him deaf. She said she and him deaf for about 15 years when me don't know about. I remember saying me just coming about
woman, you know, hold on. So this woman you never, know her before or nothing, right?
No, never know her. No about her. At that night, you know me, I know her. I don't really want to call her name right now.
No,
but
no call her name.
Me never business because you know, say me think say me are the only woman, right? So me just start beat everybody, you know. She run out of the house, but fling out her bag and her things then. Broke up him glass, take away him wallet, take away him and bust him head. Anyhow, by the time them go around at the back, I don't know where them go. I call one taxi and I come and I say, you know what, I'm going to Villa. So I go to Bam and go down to my friend yard. Because at night, you know, so I come to my man yard, problem there now. I not about to sleep again. I go around to my friend. When I go around to my friend, we did the attack and I have him picture with him, Billy and everything. So she have a friend. We live our yard with them, rent house together. You see, we did the attack and she see the picture on the bed and she say, are you man this? I'm going to say, yeah, that's my friend, you know.
Yeah.
She was a teacher, but she a lesbian. Look, you know, she say she buy you.
So your friend, well, cause you war broke now, you say you're not asleep there, whatever, cause you go catch your man now and go year same day with woman for 15 years. You beat the two of them and thing and say you're not. So you go down on your friend. When you go down on your friend, you see your friend, but you have your man wallet and thing and put it down and then she see the picture now. But you say your friend, she sleep with woman too and she sleep with man, so it's a bisexual and thing. And then what she say, what happened after that? No. What happened after that?
She said that man you buy me the bed, that bed when you see in the side, him buy me. Him did that pay more rent, he did that this. When they used to call him Christian.
Yeah.
I must say, yeah. I must realize say him and the girl did that soccer, all of that. I must say blouse and skirt. Anyhow, another day come now.
Him and the lesbian, him and the bisexual did that soccer too, right?
Yeah. I him buy our furniture them and something. So you see how the man, him kind with him money, you see that?
Yeah.
So anyhow, Moga Sabama, I'm not saying nothing. She didn't even know what me a pre in her head, you know, because she have fear girl around there, you know. Me a pre there, you know. Moga Sabama, no. I say, me I go to man the town, go give cotton. Him wallet, me now make him know say, you're there, because him don't know say me know her and find out anything.
Right.
I call him my name. But anyhow, I'm a beer father, so we can have a business.
Yeah, go and talk, yeah. Hello?
Sorry, my internet cut out a while ago. I have to put on my surface.
Yeah, all right. Go and talk now. Yeah.
So anyhow, bam, one time we meet up out there. Same time she come round the paver and him see her, him Gigi get frightened, him couldn't believe. Like him start cold set and rush him everything. Anyhow, I say you're wicked and lie. I say, draw the money, give me the money. Anyhow, I get 40 grand from him the night. I go back around. But this side say, all right, she said she got work the next morning. You know, so when time she gonna work, she now go come back because that's falling, she at work.
Yeah.
We go in her room.
Yeah.
I try hide from them people there. Tues.
Yeah. Understood.
You know when them hear me talking,
yeah.
me talk to.
Yeah.
So anyhow, Spalding, she got work. So you know, say me going to the girl room and we are smoke, we are drink all kind of something. You know, saying at the night, I don't know what take over me. But the girl did touch me. And them something there. I don't know what going, you know, one thing lead to the other, you know. And the first me ever squirt, you know.
And wait, one thing lead to the other. Yo, listen to me now. What you say? The bisexual girl who was by now your matey. You understand? Cause your man a take she to and whatever and thing and a spend pan her to and whatever. After you go down there and thing, you say what you say, you under look at juice and thing, and one thing lead to another, she start touch you. And before you know it, you squirt down the whole place down. Eh? Hello?
Yeah, the first thing in my life, me ever squirt. Yeah. The first thing in my life, me ever squirt. You know, hear me?
No, man, I hear you now, man. I hear you now. Poopa Jesus. So, well, and then, so was that the first time you did get anything like that from a woman? Eh? You like it?
Yes!
Oh.
And me did feel good at my revenge that cut the bed and my man money back. So me say, all right, squirt it down. I'll go on with myself on it.
When you say, since I hear man money by the bed, you have a right for wet up a bed down, right? Something that go on.
Wet it up with our girl.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So then, hold on, you know. So like how you and her did do it again after that couple times. Him did feel any way about it? Eh?
No.
Eh?
The Wi-Fi and I work with you.
Oh, the Wi-Fi a chip out.
Where's it?
No, me I say, like how you and her did go on with look something after that and still do anything. Him did feel any way about it, so you and her did go and do a look thing?
Him no know nothing. I know him no know nothing. And him end up breed me now. I have a daughter, female, something. But we left long time. From them time, they decide to allow him. But come a breed, you know, say him still have to day and I can't see him way.
Oh. So hold on, when you and her did still sort out after that, him never know say it a go on. Who I call you?
Yeah, that's my man I come. I decline the call. Oh. That's so nice.
No, so what me I say, hold on, man. So when you and her did still a sort out after, him never know. So when did still a talk to him and him something that him never know. So you and her did still a sort out after?
She never know say must have a woman cause him kind. So everybody want him, you understand?
Right.
So me don't know if she knows say him have woman, yes or no, I don't know. But me just did feel one way to know say as so much as we him did a take for idiot. But me always want to take revenge, you know.
Oh, see, you have that something.
And it just work out right way.
Oh. So then tell me something you did like it after that when she had do it. She bad pan it and thing when time she had do the swiping and them thing there. I think turn up them way they don't.
Me I tell you, the girl bad.
Oh.
Me I tell you, say the first time in my life, me squirt. Me never know. Me I wonder what that.
No, but me say when you go back,
me don't really know about them something.
Yeah, but when you go back and you did that, when you go back and you did that, do it with her after them time, she did still good.
No, man, me never do it with her after. It's just a one night stand.
It was just a one night thing, you know. Okay. All right. Anyways, but him did hold it do and take care.
She always I try get in contact back with me and him something they but just say no.
Yeah, you just go around and lower and things.
Yeah?
One night. Just a one night only thing you did depend with her, don't?
Yeah. Just right. I get back at.
All right.
Get back at the two of them because she my man, I'm fuck her
Then, well,
girl.
I don't say the F word over here. We don't read the F word, you know. What's the sort out, yeah?
Oh.
All right. She said, oh. All right, big up yourself, you know, all right? All right, big up yourself.
All right, Raga, because big up yourself, but just want to tell you that.
Yeah, man, respect for that, man. Saying blessings and respect, man, all right?
All right, take care.
Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, Wi-Fi are rough her up, you know, when the Wi-Fi rough up the call of them way they you know, they get that delayed something there, you know. So that did I reach her and thing, but we work with it. But people, you know, do remember, you know, my birthday party, you know, September 20th, Saturday, September 20th, at Missouri in Queens, New York. It's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be epic. May I tell you that one? I know jail talk me are going in and hype talk me are going in, you know, because the boss start already and all these things and whatever. The last show, based on what occurred in the last show, when I say some giveaways have to go on, and the giveaways going to be, we're going to raffle them, right? Or probably do something for somebody win. Because you know me, you know, me will just say, listen to me. If you know, okay, first of all, I'm jumping the gun. We're going to have giveaways. Thus far, you guys decided that some of the giveaways should be several roses. Yes, rose with woman I use. So, see, they Tony did that the last show, so you know what we're talking about. So, we're going to give about 4 or 5 roses. And I'm going to give them away. Right? Some of them are going to raffle and thing. But I'm the type of person, you know, me would just say, listen to me. If you know, say you're there, the man where you're there with is not your man and thing, come up here so with him and kiss him in front of you and thing and you get a rose. And then look at something to me. Yeah. You know how them look at something them go on with it, you know. Yeah, me will say, yo, if you know say the dress where you have on, you borrow it from your friend, and you're not free at for talk, so you borrow your friend just to come a Raga party, come up here, so come tell me and collect your rose and thing. And them something they will go on with and thing. I think some people they easy. Yeah, anybody come to event, they want to know what thing is, they would say, yo, if you know say, you're bold enough to come up here so come take off your wig in front of the camera. And you're not business. Come up here so come for your rose and collect my. Yeah, man and woman come up and go say, Papa, take off your wig. I'm done the place. You understand? It's unpredictable. It's fun. But of course, it's going to be a night of music and just, you know, festivity and thing. And of course, I'm a birthday party. It's a raga thing. So, you know, it's a fun thing. So we just want to come out, come enjoy on yourself. And for those of you who don't know, the thousands of people who know already, my thing a safe thing, you understand? It's a grown and sexy thing, right? So people dress up and put on them clothes. I don't know, no what heap of weed smoking and them. I know that's something there, right? And Amazura is big, nice, and spacious, and lit, and wonderful, and it's safe and secure, and all these things. All right. So just know, tickets are available at eventbrite.com right now. Just put in Ragabash and New York. But I'll have physical tickets available, and I'll tell you the locations in due course. Okay. But again, it's Saturday, September 20th. At Amazura in Queens, New York. Save the date. Make sure it's on the forward, and we're going to have a good time. Music by Glamour Wayne, right? Veteraning everything. DJ Roy from Irish Jam Radio. My brother from another mother. But look, brother, DJ Chris Cross. A whole bunch of other selectors are going to roll through. Them know the flavor, them know my thing set and thing. You understand? And of course, Echo Vibe Sound and Brown Bass. And, you know, it's going to be a night to remember, whatever. Our parties are usually really, really good. So, looking forward to see you all there. We're going to have a wonderful time. But hold on. I could just check in and think, how you all doing? Everything good with you, know? When I behave on yourself? I hope so, you know. I hope you enjoy life and you not make stress taking over and thing, all right? I hope you not make negative people, you know, get the better on and all these things, right? Remember, you know, if you don't say you're in a better position than somebody, and somebody bad mind or them evil or they're just petty and all these things and whatever. Remember, if you are paying them attention and watch what them a say about you, if you are get upset when them a chat you, if you are get upset when them a talk things about you when you go so, and thing, and not for them fault. A your fault. Remember that. Right? I remember Anthony Abrams telling me, I always telling him, when me there Jamaica and them a fight me and think I'm a thing shot, most popular radio show in all of the country and all them something. I mean, when them people there about my farm thing, me I talk to my boss, Anthony Abrams, may his soul rest in peace. And Anthony Abrams said to me, I'm going to tell you something, Raga, I'm going to tell you something my father told me. He said, Raga, have you ever seen anybody throw a stone up in an empty mango tree? No. Exactly. Seems Raga, there's a lot of mangoes in your tree. So you can't stop people from throwing a stone up in there. So sometimes when things are going good for you, or there is something valuable about you, or there is something remarkable about you, or you step up in a life, or you make gains and strides and whatever, it is naive of you to think that there's not going to be a section of the people who are going to have a problem with you. It's automatic. Everybody can't like you. Some people not gonna like you. Unless you're invisible and nobody not see you, then fine. But once things are going for you, that's why sometimes when things are going for you, if you make nobody know, not go tell nobody. Because it just invite that energy there from some people. Right? Yeah, man. Sometimes when some things are shot for you, whatever, nobody go post it, not tell nobody. And stay happy in your little corner and go and build your things, see? But if for whatever reason them find out and them start say this and that about you, remember, if nothing are going for you, people not see you, If nothing are going for you, people not chat you. But that's when something are going for you, mouth are go fling for you. But you're going to have some people who celebrate you too and say, say, is a trying sister that, or is a trying you that and thing or whatever, or him deserve it, or she deserve it, so that girl study and thing like that. Or, no man, the two of them belong together. I'm glad them relationship successful and them, or she get a good man or him get a good woman or something, Look how she buy her house or her car and whatever this and one thing with so and so, she always clean and look good, nice clothes and yeah, you gotta have that energy there from some people genuinely affirm you, validate you and support you. Yeah, man, just focus on them there, But don't fool yourself. Nobody does well. None. Nobody does well. And I have some haters out there. It's a requirement. It's an affirmation that you do well. Because if you never do well, they would even see you for chat anything about you. Right? Nobody successful and have people that beat them. You could have named Beyonce or them are going to find something for say, Beyonce, she worship the devil, Illuminati. Them are going to find something for say. You just have people out there with that energy there. And when it happens, because the more you do well, the more you're going to have that corollary, that parallel energy from the people that want to notice you and say, so I want everybody seeing him. Me not like him don't even look good, him not even cute, him nose big like, ragga head big like, or whatever, right? Laugh it off, laugh it off, you understand? But again, if you make it stress you, when people are tell lie for you and attack all kind of things or whatever, it's not them, the negative people fault or cause the stress. It's you a cause the fault, the stress by yourself. Because as I always say, lion no argue with ginger fly. So if you're a lion and ginger fly, I say, your ears stink like and your arms smell like and you don't look good. And when you poop, your poop stinker than everybody poop or whatever. Okay, fine, thanks. That's what ginger fly do. It's never their fault when negative people are text it upon you and you turn around and make it bother you. It's always your fault. The other analogy I always use is if you outside of the pig pen, in a pig pen, a style you up on a dunny and whatever, and you outside clean. We not big up white, but let's say you're in your full white clothes and things are going for you out there and see you and start styling and tell you a bag of things about you. And then you gone over in the ag pen, go argue with them, and I say, we have tell like for me from we are this and that, and I give them attention and all these things. And then when mud fling pan you know, you go complain them, chew mud pan me, and thing I come dirty up my clothes and whatever. It's your fault. You in a nice, clean space out there, step up in a life, whatever. I go over here, so chat all kind of thing about you. You gone over there, so gonna entertain, I gonna argue with Agno. And then when mud splash up on you know, you complain about it. I gotta do what Ag do. Ag walla in a mud and go on with one bag of sitting. Allow Ag for make Ag do what them do, and you do what you do. And make Ag go and talk and kill Ag with success. Give Ag more things to talk about you. Keep going over here, so. But once you end up in the, I don't know where them text it from afar, and them walk and I say them something about me or whatever, this is your fault. If you go fall light up. Lion argue with ginger fly. And when you're nice and clean, and things are going good for you, don't go in a ag pen go argue with ag, because you're going to just dirty up yourself down there and mother go fling upon you, and it's going to be your fault. You made a choice to go over there in a ag pen. Leave them alone. All right? Well, more time, a spirit move me for say, Ray, I'm going to just follow his spirit, you know, Miss Cherry boy, you know, remember say, Miss Cherry raised me with the thing, you know, you understand? So sometimes a little bit of motivation and little inspiration and little something, you know, is interspersed in my presentations, okay? And if you hold it and embrace it and absorb it and own it, do so. And if you just want to intellectually muse on it, do so. All right? I saw the thing saying, in the meantime, we have like, I'm going to do like another 40 minutes here or so, you know. Remember, I'm start early, I'm in it with Uno, Kimberly and the whole Uno, Uvo. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, I started early because I want to end early, all right? Yes, man, I laugh, man. I stop laugh. I miss a laugh. I love to make people laugh too. By the way, from what day when the man them calling, I notice that no found a mix up when I do that local man thing there where somehow in a mix up when I mash up something, you know, like baby diploma him they give a female and you know him done himself and whatever. But I notice that most of the man them who calling when I do that, I don't know a big man when I do that young boy something there, you know. When I always a mash up some pum pum. And I always a shell out a next man, you know. So I always a the star on the show, you know. And we all know life no works, so don't. And if you follow someone, you know, not tell the truth, you know, because I could be honest, you know. You have enough woman out the road where, you know, them man sort out and whatever, you can't manage them. Enough man I get dust out there, you know, with all dugu and all them something. Why you not call and talk about that? Why every time when I call you know, I always I mash up something and thing or whatever, and somehow on the story them boring like and whatever. You understand? But from what they know is a lot of man, yeah, nobody no good like you know, deal with this and put it on panar and whatever. You know, if you talk about, you know, want to get popped down to man, and when a woman mashing up to man, and when a woman, you know, trick you and get to know for all the certain thing, you can't talk about them something. I notice, you know. I notice what I go on with you know. Yeah, a man who a call from what they are taking, who does a call and I tell me how good it is. You know, you deal with that one and wicked and deal with this wicked and whatever this and that, you know. Yeah, I pray you know, When I see me there, king, and I go on and whatever. Me I watch a pattern, you know. Me I watch a pattern. All right, we could go on meds and see, you know, what I'm up to, you know. But we are watching levels, though, you know.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yes. Good night. Wagwan.
There.
Yeah. What's up?
So Raga, me have one little pasta mix-up figure.
Pasta mix-up. Send on. Yeah.
So you know me not really go to church.
Yeah.
So my friend, she did invite me at church one day.
Yeah.
I said, all right, at church.
Yeah.
Go to church and there the pastor lively and something and I go on with himself and you know.
Uh-huh.
So when church over, you know, like him go around and greet the new visitors and things.
Right.
They come and, you know, greet me and whatever and start squeeze my finger and something.
Yeah, that's something there, don't. Yeah.
So now wink me. So me I said, then a pastor this or a play pastor.
yeah.
So anyway, Raga.
Yeah.
But they kind of like that little something there, so I go to church one next day.
What you did like what the pastor do, don't? When him squeeze up here and a wink here and look at.
Pastor.
Oh, you mean yes?
I mean, I look deliverance.
And you look deliverance. You want to be saved. Glory.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Yes.
So Raga, me start go to church now.
Yeah.
But what me notice is the pastor will preach.
Uh-huh.
But as somebody I feel like read the scripture and all them something there.
Yes, man. Yeah.
I mean I say see a ratted thing now. And a real pastor this. Anyway, Raga. One day I go for this girl yard and when me look at the pastor carry me say park up.
Yeah.
See that way pastor do you so? Anyway, me never bother call me left.
Uh-huh.
So next day me I go up to the shop now and me pass the girl yard. Me see pastor carry again. So me say what pastor do you so? So me take me little time Raga go a window and I listen. So me hear like the girl I teach the pastor to read. Like you know, teach him some words and I break them down for him and make him a sound vowels and something. I say ratted. Them pastor can read. So anyway, we thought that the road till pastor left. The pastor, hey pastor, called to me and stop and me say, we over there saw the pastor. Same did I pray for the girl over there.
But of course, yes.
So anyway, Mr. Pastor, stop a lie, man. You like she a teach you to read and something. I want to go on. Pastor said, where you hear that? Where you get that from? I said, Pastor, me here. I said, Pastor, them girl can't read. Oh, you make she a teach you to read. You need to come over here, come make me teach you.
So, my cuss about what
way. You need to get teaching the professional way.
That you tell the pastor?
Yeah.
Yes.
You cannot study teaching go pastor.
Yes.
Pastor said, what? I say, I can teach you to read better than her.
But of course, yeah.
So, as of now, every Tuesday at 4 o'clock, you're going to come over.
That's right.
So pastor say, you serious? He say, yeah, man.
Yeah.
So Raga, pastor start come now, you know. So me have pastor lesson written down for each day. Like today we are going to phonics. Tomorrow we are going to reading. You're going to read. You're going to break down words.
Yeah.
And all that.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, me took over pastor now and I teach pastor and pastor pay me.
I pay you. So that was the objective all along with you, for take a food and fine and thing and get forget some money, yeah.
I mean I tell nobody don't a church pastor say me a teach you.
Right.
I'm professional. So anyway, Raga, On Tuesday night we did me only hear pastor say, you don't have no panty. Excuse me? Pastor say you don't have no panty. We say, Pastor, I'm a woman. What you mean if you don't have no panty? Pastor say, no man, I know that me I talk about. Like, can you take off the panty you have on and just sell it to me? I give you any money. I say, what, Pastor? Him say, yeah, ma'am, I buy panty. But me no want the clean one. I have the one we are wear.
Yes, man, it have a touch.
Yeah. Tell me the pastor, you're serious?
Yeah.
Pastor say, yeah, I say, hold on a minute, Pastor. Go in a bathroom, Raga. You have a nice little black tongue.
Yes.
Pull off it. Hold it up. Fling it on Pastor. Pastor run across his nose and say, yeah, that one you're not bad. But
yeah.
Next time make it more, make it more stronger.
Yeah, it feel like
what
you mean?
All of a sudden, so.
Wait a minute, it feel like look a bit rankish, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Pastor, you couldn't expect it to be like that for the first.
Yeah.
Pastor, you can't do me that. Just come on by me, so.
Yeah.
So anyway, Raga, when Pastor take out the money and give me I say, blouse and skirt. You make a money off of this.
Yes, man.
That's what I said to myself, So anyway, Pastor gone and so,
Yeah.
The pastor say I come back Thursday. Remember only Tuesdays he come for lessons, but him say I come back Thursday. The pastor, Olaga, one look all woman they live beside me. So them woman they when she ready, she will take off her look underwear and put in her look bath up on her stepper. So So Raga, Thursday morning I go over the look old man house. And go on the back and when me look, I see about 3 panty in her look base. So Raga me take one look stick and take up one of them. Put in a one bag, carry over my yard. Pastor comes Ph.D in the evening, Raga. Pastor say, what go on? You have anything? I say, Pastor, what happened to you, man? What happened to you, Pastor, man? So me go so boom and take out my bag and give Pastor.
Wait, hold on, the bag with the Woloman drawers in it?
Yes.
But hold on, the Woloman drawers did what? It did have the Woloman drawers did kind of.
You don't know what Woloman panty Raga ever rank.
But you said Woloman panty ever wreck.
Ever wreck. Raga man, you don't know the style.
What you mean about me know the style? What me if you know about them somebody?
No, say you don't know the style, Raga man.
Oh, you say me don't know the no, I don't. I have to ask because I never really get it, so but it connect now. Yeah. So all
right. So Raga?
Yeah.
Singing the pastor.
Yeah.
Pastor opinion pastor say, yeah. Yo, pastor pay me double for that one there.
Wow.
Pastor they say that one up.
So well on, how this thing I end up doing?
Wait now, Raga. Next day, pastor come back. Say, well, yes, well, go on, I don't know. I like that one day you see them, man, that one day high grade. I saw me like them high grade.
Talk faster.
Pastor.
Yeah.
Never expect you to the man. Where the pan? You have to circle me back one next day. Raga? Me blows and go over the old man yard now. Pastor come back Kingston or something. Go over the old man yard. Now I go thief one next panty car. Pastor said them there high grade, And I get good money now. Anyway, get the panty, put in the bag, have you over my yard. Pastor come, chew panty give pastor. Pastor pay me. Raga, me only hear somebody behind me. Give me somebody what sit not money for me draws you have a sell to pastor where you think me no know what.
Well, answer all the old man say find out.
The woman a watch me. And pastor do it long time with other people so it a go round. So the old woman look like she see pastor visit me. And she a see me a come her yard, come take her panty, but she not say nothing.
Oh. Okay. So how that they go then after she said that?
Raga,
How that did
pastor
go?
fi pay me and pay the old woman for not say nothing.
Janu.
Raga,
All right.
old woman carry down a shop, but tight down a shop there all over area. I start to run away.
The pastor did have to run. Which area that did happen, you know?
Raga, me can't talk.
You can't talk. Which area did happen, you know? All right. Now say a word, you know. Respect for that one day, yeah?
Yeah, man, Raga, pick up yourself.
Yeah, man, cool.
Raga,
Yeah.
good night.
Good night.
Yes, man, this a lady will call when I tell us on Monday night me want to give you a mix up with my brother. What me name want to give you kind of listening live, but he tell me something if you put it to you.
All right then, man. Make we hear it then.
You know, say one time when my brother used to do road, you know, Gallis, you know, my Gallis.
Yeah.
So I have one friend where him and his friend, them a Gallis, them a party, always a do them things. So
Yeah.
he see one girl where he like a girl, but them he just want a little one lick. He want a one lick off of the girl and his friend want a one lick off of the girl.
Right.
But at the end of the day, how we gonna know he's like him like a girl and his friend like a girl. Well, him a got the yard, his friend no know, and his friend a got the yard and him no know.
Okay, so the two of them are juggle with the girl, but each one of them no know, so the other one a do it.
That's right.
Okay.
So sometime my friend we got the yard, go check the girl.
Yeah.
And left. And him got the girl yard and go check the girl and left.
Right.
But the girl live now, the girl father live at the yard, so they no really got a yard when the father did it, because they can't go there when the father did it.
Right, okay.
Because he's a strict man.
Right.
Then you don't know, say one evening, the friend got the yard Raga and I check out the girl. And did I check out the girl and I talk. Then when it take a start now, the friend sit down at the doorway and say, my brother come. And my friend take himself and go on and eat the bed. And then now, my brother go now and I talk to the girl. When you take a stop now, that I remember saying, no, my brother no know say his friend there, you know. So my brother look and see the father come, that the girl father come, and take himself a hide. You know, say when brother take himself a straight underneath the bed, my brother go Raga. He two of them buck up underneath the bed. When they buck up underneath the bed, Raga, they start with laugh. Only thing my brother say, are you? And then wait till way. Yes, say underneath the bed and I dead with laugh. My brother say to your friend say, are you? And at the time them are gonna know now say the two of them.
Yeah. No. I'm love how them deal with it though, and I really you there. John was that wait, yeah, blaze it too. And just laugh it off and build, no.
Just laugh it off.
No, man, that's cool.
And then how they make it escape to go now, the girl have to pilot them, when the father in a room.
Yeah.
And someone pilot them for them go away.
And
so Friday, me buck up my brother, me I tell my brother, say me I call in pan Raga. He say he lives enough time, man. So he say me fi bossy pan you, man. He mix up me fi bossy pan you.
Yeah, box me down with it, man. Good thing that, yeah. No, man, I love how them do it. Did he have some man, Have some man, it's like them just frightened for front and, them just whip certain way and certain thing reach them and them get violent and get stupid pan the woman and pan other man and what. Laugh it off and just easy and say, yo, dog, so well and you juggle your soto. I lie. And just well a good laugh and easy, no. Yeah, no.
You juggle yourself, me there see you with you.
Yeah, man, thank you for that one day. You bless up yourself, all right?
All right.
Yo, I tell you, no people end up a war over thing where them no need for war over, but and they don't know it going, man, when it come to that look of something there, the amount of foolish this man do for front, One time I have to just drop back and kick back and I say, then them man, them no sit down and meditate more time and say, say I idiot thing me I go on with, over front. And look how much woman out the road. Greetings, hello.
How are you? I just stopped in to say, hi. I've always been messaging you in your DMs. You have too much money and I respond to me. So we just have to drop in at the box.
No, what I want to go, what?
I've always DM you and it's like, I'm echoing.
No, sorry, yeah, just work with it here because the echo, you get a little problem sometimes,
okay.
Yeah,
but the amount of money I've been respond to me, so we just have to come up with the box. Don't do that.
Can I share something with you? Yeah. Well, I don't know what your DM is saying, but you see, it's the
I wanted to join your team. I'm not coming to mix up tonight. Yeah. I don't have the mix up, but we just have to jump up in the box to get your attention.
Yeah.
Yes.
To join my team.
Yes. Radio personnel.
Oh, you.
Yes, sir.
What you mean, like
marketing, whatever it is, the posters and the voice over, all of them something.
Oh, you do all of those things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You sure you DM me? Well, I do get a lot, so and a lot of them.
Okay,
yeah, and I don't. There's a lot of them, and then them have this thing now where all the platforms have it. It's like if the person follow you, it comes into a main thing, right?
Correct.
But then if them not follow you or whatever, it comes into this other thing that is a requesting.
If you follow each other, the messages it's easier to message you. But when you message somebody and they don't follow you, it doesn't work right.
Yeah, it had to go through this different column, which is an approval thing. Now, the thing with me is, I don't go over there with the request part with the one where you have to go in there and say so and so is requesting a message to you or whatever.
Exactly, so you left to be hanging.
No, so what I'm saying is there's a tons of people. It's nothing personal, obviously. It's just I just
but me I look at work. Yes.
A work.
Yes, I've been doing promotions for years.
Uh-huh.
I've worked with Kingston when I was in Jamaica, but I'm in Florida now.
Yeah.
And I do promotions, weddings, whatever it is. So I can do a 1 month volunteer service for you just to show you what I have. It's nothing simple.
Okay.
Right? You might hear my voice out there and not know that it's me.
Okay.
Yes. So yes.
All right. Well, let me give it some consideration and then get back to you and say what exactly you can do that, for example, like a Ragabash promotion could benefit from,
Definitely.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
All right, then. Let me see your name. Okay.
Go over to the column, in the other column.
No, hold on. No, them have a way for, I think there is a way to do this where you oh man, I don't even know how to do it. There is I'll check it after because I'm not good at this thing, whatever.
All right, thank you.
But let me
the people in want you
then go and cuss out your cloth, you see, watch and see.
Sometimes if you hurry up, something they like, no make them cuss me, please.
I saw it go. All right, then. I got it. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir. No, everyone here.
All right then. Okay. So we'll see whatever. Okay. Blessings, man. All right. Cool. Okay. Moving right along. Bum 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 bum. Oh, but hello. Good night.
Okay, so it's a fake page.
Oh, that's okay. As long as what you're telling us is real.
Alright. So I don't know if it's a excited mix-up, but it's a mix-up.
Okay.
So
Let's
when I
see.
was much younger,
Yeah.
still, I used to date this guy. He
Yeah.
have enough money.
Oh, I think you have a
But he
TV.
knew.
Hold on. I think you have a TV behind you playing. Could you just move away from it, please?
Hold on. You hear me better?
Yeah, we just don't want to hear the TV, the thing behind you. That's it.
Alright.
Yeah.
So when I was much younger, I used to date this guy, right?
Yeah.
Have money and thing, but he mean.
He have money, but he mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would want to sorry, all around the world, but he wouldn't get nothing.
Okay.
So one day, my little brother line up a little mission. So I asked him to come over the house, and him say, okay. Him did partially go blind at first. Somebody normally come by the house to drop in them drops. So him say, you alone there?
Well,
So I say, yeah.
is this the guy or your brother?
The guy.
The guy was partially blind?
Yeah, him did not go blind.
Uh-huh.
But him have money, but him just no one. They got no money.
Okay.
So him come by the house, take out the drops. House. Me and him are going to do.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I'm a little brother under the bed.
All right.
So he had a bag with some money in the bag.
Yeah.
Remember him convincing me alone the home because me alone the home. But my
Right.
little brother under the bed.
Well, your little brother under the bed, yeah.
So my little brother, me tell my little brother the mission from the get-go. So
Yeah.
I say, so when the man come in and him put down the bag, you might go put the bag on the floor. So yeah, I could just, any money when you see in the bag, take it out, no question.
At what point was he supposed to take it out, though, with you and him?
When we up on the bed.
Hold on. So you tell the little brother to go check your bag when you and him, the man are sat out?
On the bed, yeah.
What you mean, pan the bed or when you're not sat out?
When we are sat out on the bed.
So when you dash out and thing, your little brother for go, cause you go distract him and thing and wind it up on him and make, you know? And the little brother for go out and check your bag and take out the money. All right then.
Right. So you end up, that's my little brother take out the bag.
Yeah.
Take out the money.
Yeah.
The man end up, we're done.
Yeah.
Put on him clothes and go. Remember, me alone there, so
right.
Me not come off of the bed, not all.
Right.
Because me not want him to say, me know about what gone.
Right. So you're not going nowhere near the bag. Him not remember you anywhere near the bag.
Hello?
Yes, so him not remember you anywhere near the bag.
Hello?
You not hear me? Check. You hear me now?
Yeah, me hear you now.
No, so when I say you never did nowhere near the bag, you make sure so him not see you nowhere near the bag. All right, go on, Todd.
Right?
Yeah.
So boom. Him done, get dressed, me not come off of the bed, none at all. All when him say, follow me go outside. Me not want to go to the door because me not want him have no clue to say, all right, then something.
Yeah.
It end up, that's my brother got $1.5 million out of the bag. Like, him leave the house, and when him leave the house, him call me and I say, you know, so me have some money in the bag and him missing. And I say, what you say? What you mean by him money missing? Come back, maybe help you look for it.
Well, well, obviously it's Jamaican money, right? Right?
No, he had $1 million Jamaican, 2,500 US, and 2,500 Canadian. It went up to 1.5 million.
Oh, so you had $1 million Jamaican, 2,500 US, 2,500 Canadian, but when the foreign money convert to Jamaican, about 1.5 million.
No, him call. So I say, come back at the house, make a look for it, come help you look for it, because I can't understand how the money missing. And I'm alone, and I never come off of the bed, and he must say, no, I know you, me just I said the money missing, and I know you, because you never come off of the bed.
Mm-hmm.
It happened as Father's Day, did I come up.
Mm-hmm.
And remember, I feel money, I made it feel guilty in a way.
Mm-hmm.
So I tell him some more carry mode.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel money me I can use carry mode, you know. So I got home more. I'm gonna tell him to order the biggest fish we want.
Well, you say you can't go pour more and say, geez, where you go to and order the biggest fish where you want. Just order what you want. Order what you want.
Because him I no good, him only drink Heineken Zero.
Oh, because him I no good, him only drink what?
Heineken Zero. The non-alcoholic Heineken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So him order one. So I said to the girl that's serving us, just bring 12 come. Don't mind I'm a meat short now, you know. But I don't mind him.
Yeah.
The man said no woman will ever do it. Never
spend pan him. So jeez, you're nice.
This was the Sunday. My mom keep the money from me. This was the Sunday. It's the Wednesday. The man buy me a new car, as in new brand Toyota Crown. Him buy it. Him ask me if I want to continue living in rentals or I want a house by myself. So him buy me a land, him buy me the material. The house almost finished. But all I must say, the only thing the man I exaggerate on
is how good a woman you are, though.
Yeah, how good of a woman I am. Oh, somebody asked if my brother did get money. Of course, me don't give me little brother thing what I.
Of course, you ever boss your little bro, cause now him go. I ain't make him move.
Remember, said this is a trauma where I'm gonna live with for the rest of my life. You know, me and the man them on the bed have sex, you know, and my brother under the bed, you know. So I have to give so. The man rate my little brother to the ground when he walk on.
And up to this time, when you say him didn't mean him, you say him would have carry go anywhere, but him not really spend money for you and thing and whatever. Him, you know, but you know, would do enough things and whatever, and him have. And for those of you who are say if somebody walk with $1 million in Jamaica, I want me to know. Like you don't understand. Hold on. People, let me tell you. Me in a big, when me did that Jamaica, me in a big and rich like people and whatever. And enough time me I walk around Jamaica, me have like, well, not enough time, but there have been a few times in Jamaica where Jamaica money, you know, people don't forget, like, you know, once you involved in a certain business and you function on a certain level. Walking around with $1 million or $2 million in Jamaica, but you know, nobody knows, so you have to, you know, of course, I know people who are going there downtown and I walk up and downtown and go buy grocery, I know them people. But me I say, it's not uncommon for me or my friends or my more successful friend for juggle with $1 million or $2 or $3 or whatever. A regular thing, them something. All right? So go on, try. Yeah.
Some people don't understand, even though it's a 1.5 million, it's simple money we can hold in our purse. A little bit of money.
No, not a purse.
Yeah, when I say purse, I mean like a pocketbook.
Like a pocketbook, okay,
yeah.
Okay, right.
And him work with that amount of money because, as me say, him have money. Him have a company with change US. All right.
Oh, that's why him have the money there. Yeah.
Him company, I want the company will change out bold money.
What change out what?
Bold money.
Oh, you see it.
Yeah.
Okay, all right then. So so he's dealing with some sort of foreign exchange type of thing. Yes, okay.
Even now, me not short at nothing, all because me did just give back a little food out of money.
Yeah. Okay.
Up to today,
and him just thinks that you are just
one of the best person he has ever met in life.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
When I realize that the man can't see every goal when money in life, me teeth them.
Every what?
Goal.
You thief them?
I sell them back.
But when you hear say him can't see, you thief him the goal them?
Raga, him can't see what am I gonna do with them.
So then him no recognize that they're missing, even though him can't see.
Him gone fully blind now, him can't see. Me are the only woman who him trust I me had.
Then hold on, may I ask a question?
Sure.
It seems to me that that there is a need, an absolute need on your part to still rob him.
It mean, but it not fully mean. I'ma feel like I'ma forget more.
He mean, but him not fully mean.
Yeah, I'ma feel like I'ma forget more.
Why?
I'm mean,
Why you feel like you must get more?
Cause from them long time though, when the music take me feed up, I just don't feel like so I get enough it.
No, but only music take you for eat that by like.
We are there for
Yeah.
about 10 years.
Yeah.
And if me never tea from him, me wouldn't benefit now.
But what you do for him though, in terms of value, what you say, you know, say him did I go around me and thing. What you do for him?
I'm ensured that I'm at the doctor visit.
You
As
what?
me say, me are the only woman in trust. So him only eat from me alone can go to the house when him for go doctor, and me drive carry him go doctor. I'm like his caretaker now.
Oh. So you do everything for him now?
Yeah.
But when it's a caretaker, him blind, but that don't mean him helpless. Him can be it himself and thing. But so I just drive for him, because clearly if him blind, him can't drive.
Yeah, I drive him around, like for go doctor visit, for walk up the steps, because he live on the upstairs house.
Yeah.
I would do it, grocery shopping. We live in a 2 different parish.
Yeah.
I'm not woman. Him basically, I'm alone, him not a family. So instead I'm paying somebody to come by, he would have just paid me to come look for him.
But you still don't tell me why, you know, you think the thing there on a level way. No, man, I can't go and rob him same way.
All right. You see the goal thing?
Yeah.
It goal done now, so I stop.
Right.
Cool?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I have 3 taxis on the road. I have 2 personal car. Last week, you have 2 BMW. Last week, he changed up my name in them. For over the, as I said, we've been friends for 10 years. Over the past 3 years, I stop touching things them because I think I benefit. But 7 years ago, me that thief, man.
Okay. Okay.
But I stop. And
you
they say,
stop now.
as me say, yeah, I stop. If me feel like, I'm always say, if me never carry out, I would in a position of me. So my thief and the thief benefit me anyway. Because him get fish for eat out of it.
You know, so I not say nothing to do. I not say nothing, you know. So you are say when you rob him, the $1.5 million we make your brother take. I say, well, the robbery it work out for the 2 away because him eat fish out of it. Because you buy fish game, don't. So that, you know, that balance it out.
The person that said it's like the reason why I don't come here with my real profile.
Yeah.
Because I don't want nobody will know the man because he's a well-known man and people know say I just be alone go around him. No.
Yeah.
I don't want nobody.
But no, but to be clear though, what you're saying though is that when you did take the 1.5 million from him, your brother, and thing, I said, no, but it work out because, you know, him benefit from it too.
Yeah. Because if me did evil,
no, but
would get nothing.
Oh, yes. Oh. If you
Remember,
did,
I still can't go eat the fish.
Yeah, so if you did evil, if you did wicked, him only get nothing. So that means you know wicked because you rob him $1.5 million, but you buy him a steam fish after that and things. So you know,
couple Heinekens here.
And couple Heineken.
Fun.
Okay. So when somebody rob somebody and give them back a little bit out of where they rob them and thing or whatever, that is a according to your logic, that person is a good person. That person is not evil. Because that person would only be evil if them rob the person and don't give them back and buy them a steam fish and buy 12 Heineken and give them, right?
All right. Remember the man keep on saying, out of every woman who him ever date, I am the only one who would ever take him on a date. Remember him never used to give me no money? So if me never did thief the money, me couldn't actually bring him on the date. Because me never did have no money to bring him.
Oh. So the fact that you thief him money and could have bring him on the date with fee money, where him don't know his fee money and whatever, work out to be a good thing for him.
Okay. And yes, I do work. I'm a brand ambassador for my company. So my life is good. I stop thief now.
Okay. All right. All right, then big up yourself, yeah?
All right, Raga.
I want you to hear the logic, you know. I want you to, ladies, you know, I love you, you know. That's why I tell you, some of them young youth, yeah, you know, they don't understand the game, right? Right? On one side, you have man who will use woman, jump up in them belly, grind them out and all these things and whatever. And have the resources, you know, for do for them, but not do it. So that is not a good thing in the books of some ladies, understandable. So, you know, worse if you have it and you not do it, you know. But on the other side, you have this thing with a lot of women where a lot of women have this thing where them do these morally compromised acts, you know? Them do some things, you know? And that is putting it mildly. That is sanitizing what I'm saying. But you know what I mean? Them do them thing and women, you know, always have a justification for it, you know, say, you see, human beings, in the animal world, we're animals too, we're a species, but in the animal world, you know what I mean? Things are just straightforward. Lion have to eat, so then go kill a zebra. And then we see it and them just nyam the zebra, them and the zebra dead. It's, you know, the way of the world, you know. It's like an ecosystem and there's a balancing that goes on. But they don't have they don't have moral priorities, you know. They don't have you know, them not have to justify what them do. With human beings, whenever a human being do bad thing, them have to come up with an explanation why what them do is not a bad thing. It's a human thing. And the only people who do bad things and proud of it is usually psychopaths, right? Because psychopaths, someone are used to the definition of psychopaths just being people who kill, but that's not the definition of psychopathology. Psychopaths are people who feel nothing when them do bad things to people. Or another element to it is like they actually enjoy it, doing bad things to people. Going further, they're obsessed with it. It's an addiction. They like to see people suffer and they get a high from it. That's psychopathology. That's a psychopath or a sociopath. They're used interchangeably. Sociopath just mean that the genesis of the sociopathology is something learned, while the psychopathology has to, you know, is more focused on the mind and the mental thing. You know, psycho, mind, sociopath, social. But men will do bad things and kind of just own up to the bad things. Like, yeah, you know it, you know, so yo, yeah, you know, if I beat up a girl, you know, because she disrespect me, I mean, I thump her in her face, yes, and whatever, or yeah, some love beat them, you know, whatever, which is equally problematic, you know. That's not good. I'm just saying men are more likely to just acknowledge what them I do as bad and say, boy, I just have to do it, you know, because a man or whatever. But women, man, a lot of women have this thing where they will do some of the worst things, you know. They will do some hardcore something, you know, and respectfully. You know, so a lot of people have this thing about women back women. Listen to me, man. Some of the most evil, wickedest thing a woman do is to add a woman. Is to add a woman, right? In some ways, I think women more wicked to other women than they are to men. The one them who wicked. But anyway. But when they do it, they always have an explanation where, here it is, and them are the victim. Yeah. Even when a woman do something to some man or whatever, I find it interesting, for example, when a man like a woman and she near him out or clown him or go around him or do something or whatever, and then you say, yo, so we are deal with him, so him for learn, me I do him a favor. Me I do him a favor because me I teach him how to be a man and whatever, and him say him want front and whatever, him want front and thing like that and whatever, this and that. What me could I do with him and whatever, me I do him a favor. All right? You have women who will say these things, you know. But as soon as a man do some, man wicked, you know, me do for the boy, I love him, you know, and this and that and whatever, and him evil. I wish him could have dead, I want to shoot him, kill him and whatever, you know. I don't know. So you hear fear explanation, you know, she have this thing, I would yeah, I'm a rabbit man thing, but it work out good for the two of we. Yeah, you know, him get a fish out of it. Him get a fish out of it and him get some Heineken out of him own money, you know. So that's a good thing. She explicitly says she not evil. She said if she did evil, she only did buy him fish and Heineken out of him own money. So that means she not evil. You think she easy? God, lastly, before we take some walk on, this thing I want me always depend for a long time. Anybody that listen for a long time would know I'm always on this. There's a great con on a woman have with we, you know, in general, you know. But to be fair, on a phone fault alone, a man can do that. And that is that phone genitals have value, while men's genitals has none. It's one of the biggest con out there in our world. And again, yeah, a woman function that way there, but that, you know, a man make couldn't behave so. The way a man relate to woman front, make woman can relate to man that way there. You understand? So the result from that is, and we could go to the layers of how it come about, but the result from that is, and let me use a Jamaican example. All I grew up with hearing women talk about pony pension. Pony pension. What woman must get when them give man front. We never grew up a hear about body pension. Or cocky pension. We never grew up to hear them. That's like non-existent. And if a man bring it up, he's considered a workless man. But your ear say, no, there's value in pum pum. When you get pum pum, there has to be some sort of exchange, you know, some sort of exchange in cash or kind, right? So much so that if a woman do it and whatever, and she not get something for it, them say, I work with someone that she didn't have F and I have nothing for sure feet. You don't hear the talk to men about that. Look on a man, they mostly see, look how much F and him not have nothing for sure feet. Because his thing don't have any value. Man, something don't have no value. His woman, something have value. Of course, people like me who think about these things or whatever, I don't buy it, right? You know, no woman can't come to me, come juggle with me that way there. You come start juggling with me that way there, then you're insulting my intellect and my intelligence. I may not say anything to you, but, you know, I'll just go and go and do your thing or whatever, I'll stay wide from you or whatever the case may be and thing. That being the case, I don't think, you know, man for mean. And even if you don't even deal with a woman and you and her a juggle and thing, and there's some things a man for do, you know, traditional, you know, you pay, you take out a woman, you pay the bill and whatever. But I don't think there's anything wrong with a woman that take out a man and pay for dinner too or whatever. I don't see nothing wrong with that. No, say some woman that buy that something they don't, right? Yeah, but you know, have a woman and whatever, even if you're not there, even if you're there, you're supposed to take care of your woman. And if you have it for do it, do it. Yeah, and that is, I might sound like I'm contradicting myself, but no, I'm not. I'm just saying, but the whole notion that pony pension, from you get pony, the woman must have something for sure for it. By contrast, when it is sexualized that way, and it only applies to women for that, but not to men. You're saying that the man is devalued in a particular context where she is valued and whatever. And once you extrapolate from that and whatever, you get into all kind of problems in relationship and whatever, you know. If you just have fun, you just have fun. But if it's a relationship, then it's different, you know. I know some of this kind of sound heavy, but you kind of get the sense from me, I say. All right. Okay. Let's go about 10 more minutes. But I just think it is interesting, you know, her justification. I'm more intrigued with her justification for what she do. Because you have some woman will take a thing off a man and rob man, you know, and say, oh, I want me to you, if I get my front to me and rob him, yes, and whatever, you know, because I respect them woman and them just straight up, you know, I rob you, whatever. But them in a creative justification, they say, but I deserve it. I'm the victim here. You know, type of thing, whatever. Yeah. Them no, you know, them no in that something there, you know? All right. Anyway. Well, Kimberly and Starboy, I go on and waste time in the chat about 11 p.m. I'm leaving in at 5:35 me start. And me I leave in me should I leave 3 hours the show supposed to be, like, you know. Hello.
Hey, Raga.
Yeah, what go on?
Have a mix up here.
Send on.
So, me meet this African guy, right?
Yeah, African guy, yeah.
Yeah, nice pen, everything.
Nice what?
Nice guy.
Nice guy.
Pen, you know, me in a pen.
A pen. Okay.
A Nigerian.
Nigerian, yeah.
So, you say, I take me out for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, we go on buffet, a nice buffet. Eat all you can.
Mm-hmm.
So, Raga, when you look, the man eat 6 plates of food.
Him eat 6 plates of food?
6 plates of food. So, me did that, me I said, why that turn me off? Then I catch back myself and I said, sure. The man has spent man just go for that.
So, hold on, it did turn you off initially if you see him have 6 plates of food?
Of course it turned me off. What turned me off to Raga? Like, everything me take up in a like, you know, we are Jamaica, we pick it.
Yeah.
Him take out of my plate and eat it. Me I say, man, I take the etiquette. Then me I say, sure, he must spend. All right, then we brush off that. Anyway, say, after we eat, we'll go movies.
Yeah. Yeah, echo and feedback a little bit. I don't know. But anyway, go and talk.
Yeah, and so we have movies, right?
Yeah, are you on earpiece or Bluetooth or speakerphone?
No, I the same phone on me I talk to you on the live. Well, I guess me need to come out of the live?
Probably, yeah. But don't cut off your call, you know. Yeah.
Come back.
Yeah.
So we got the movie. Yeah, hear me, Raga?
Yeah, okay, it's still there. But go on. Mm-hmm.
So we got the movies, right?
Uh-huh.
So you know movies, buy popcorn and everything. You know movies, Lord Raga. I think it was the popular movie. I think you go watch it.
You go watch the what? What the movie name?
Sinners.
Okay. Oh, what do you some of this? Yeah.
Yes, the freshman about a month ago.
Yeah.
So you know the sound in the movie. As the movie start, the man start. Me one Lord the Raga.
He must sleep.
Me touch him, jump up. Me say, all right, everybody a look. Raga, we start again one Lord Bungie. Touch him again.
He must snore loud in the theater.
Lord Raga, Lord, and his sound effect.
Yeah.
So me say, all right, you know, I get embarrassed. I say, no, Simon, I turn me off. Raga, he man get up and one deep sleep, you know.
Mm-hmm.
One long Bungie, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I him the computer. Me just take time squeeze you out of the movie, Raga. Me just take time squeeze you out of the movie. Go order an Uber. I find myself home.
You left a man in a movie there and left him. Jesus and peace. I can't believe you left a man in a movie.
This one I ring me answer. You're a wicked, you know a film accent. You're a wicked woman.
Yes.
You're a wicked woman. You left me. In the movie, me hear that the people them come wake him up. You tell me say one of them come wake him up with that movie. Movie done at everybody. Gone, Raga.
So why you
You know what I mean? That why me they say them man and load bung in that place, Raga.
then probably you could have said, listen, I could leave because you want to sleep. So
Raga, at 2 times me tap him, he jump up. Oh, I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. He say, okay.
no, not
I'm
the
not sleeping. I'm not sleeping.
no, but probably you could have just tell him, say, well, you know, I'm gonna leave. I have to leave. So
Raga, no sign there in bed, so me left in my bed.
well, the truth is you never feel him from the get-go anyway. So
When he eat the food, when he eat his 6 plates of food at the buffet, Raga, it turned me off.
but why 6 plates of food turn you off? Like
Raga.
what?
6 plates, Raga. But Raga, you know, say like me gotta take some wings, and me I said this not really done. The man just take them and eat them. No, Raga, then I'm not table manners, man.
Well, oh, so like you take the wings and like you say, no, there's no taste good. So me just him just eat off what you will have left there, don't?
Just take it. Oh, that's fine. What's wrong with it? And he just eat it. You know what I'm still a call me, Raga? He still a call me,
You know, because
sorry about it, and just you know, when he start moving, he always sleepy. So me say, why you go and move this there?
but you know, so there's a lot of people who do that, though, you know. And it's a running joke. Well, it's usually with couples, though. People who are already there.
And some people look like 1 every minute. Lord,
yeah, well, that is embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Yeah, that is. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if and you know, with them something too, it's worse for women, unfortunately, the double standard. But the big loud snoring in a theater, yeah, disturb everybody. That is embarrassing. That is embarrassing. I not think I can't understand that. But me say you could have just tell him, say, yeah, let's leave.
But every time I touch him that early, oh, I'm not sleeping. No, I'm not sleeping. It's so like my grandfather when we used to young, we had to change the channels and jump up there and sleep. So me say, all right. Me say, 3 France me a jail.
Well, yeah, people like that, you know, they come in like little picnic, you know, when them asleep, them a tell us that them not asleep, but them asleep. No, yeah, tell them, you know, picnic there, and them asleep, but no, I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. Okay, I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping.
Yes. You say, go to your bed. No, I'm not sleeping, Dad. I'm not sleeping.
Right. So you have people who do that, you know, but the one thing though, I have to say though, this thing I when I eat your food.
Reggae, no etiquette embarrassing.
No, hold on, stop. Put that etiquette something there. All right. You know, Master Raga, him observe the something them, don't? Right? I love to observe women and whatever. So I know I have shoes weakness. Right? I just have shoes weakness. That is just not explainable. Only just addicted to shoes, you know. There's so much so that you know about all these shoes one don't ever wear and whatever. So women just have a shoes weakness. The other thing when women have, so it's woman more than man who love to taste the man food first and eat out the man food first before them eat for them food. Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right.
You're right.
So with the etiquette, something there.
Me taste the Raga and put it back down, me taste it. Don't come eat the olive and eat it.
Okay, me see where you are.
A buffet with the Raga, a buffet with it.
Oh, so just tasting it a little bit is different from the gravelish or something there. Yeah, him just a wallops down the rest of your eat and live. So something about it just look. Yeah. Something about that look kind of like, yeah. Just a Nyam everything, so don't. Damn, you can imagine you live with a man like that and you are, I mean, he might buy the food, you know, because the Nigerians are notorious for spending on women.
You know, me in the Raga, me actually,
right.
Tell me what designer Stewart. Instead of calling me and I said, my friend, I said, boy, just tell him say never like the girl because he's kind.
Yeah.
Me cousin will come over and he said 500. Oh, go take your cousin shopping. Just like that.
Listen to me. What I have to say to you with this,
Mm-hmm.
on a larger, more broader level, follow your spirit, yeah, man.
Yes, Raga, right.
Follow your spirit. Follow your spirit. Right, there's something about how him flow will just rub you wrong and turn you off. What would that happen? And would I see you sit down in there snore? Yeah, no, and then probably like, yeah. Next thing you know, I'm going to eat some food and thing, and him just come Nyam off the rest of my food. No, you can't imagine me that I'll eat some food and eat, look at it, I'm going to put it on my plate and just say, your gentleman come over and say, are you going to eat this? Are you eating this? Are you eating this? If you're not eating this, I would eat this, okay? Are you eating this? You love oxtail, Raga. I love oxtail, though. No, listen to me. Follow your spirit, yeah, man. Something about... Yeah, something about you rub you wrong. Just go with it, yeah, man. All right, just...
take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, big up this... Yeah, man. Now I look at...
come on your show.
Thank you, baby. Looking forward to see you. Make sure to say hi, okay? All right, cool.
All right, bye.
Yeah, man, cool. Greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Wagwan.
You send me the lady attack, something similar happened to me.
What do you mean? Tell me.
I'm going to tell you, man. You used to work at Sun. I don't know if you remember when they used to have like the happy hours and Friday. They used to have the order of them of Quran. So
Asylum, the club, right?
Yes,
back in the day. Yeah,
man. Nightclub, man. The happy hours.
Then if you work Asylum, you don't know, say it was my place, man. Me in there all the while.
Long time I know you, man. If you see me, you know me.
All right, let's say yeah, man. Me, Ribby Trainer, and the whole crew, man. I'm a place. Yeah.
The whole of them. You know the whole of them.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, now, this man coming at the club and he like me, presenting himself nice and come from Canada and them respectable, man,
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, the man craving. Jesus.
Yeah.
When me tell us, the man never saw him, but a nice man, me I said I couldn't give him a chance, for him look respectable. That's as soon as he see me with the order of them come, the man just grab the tray from me.
Him just take a tray, the whole tray.
He just take the tray. Me said, not never turned me off more than that.
Yeah.
He just take the whole tray and we go for your next one, take it again. And he just sit up on the top bar with it and eat. Within one Heineken and just a picking teeth. And me I said, Jesus Christ.
Turn
give me number in a Raga. You know me don't tell him, say, give me back my number.
Oh, God. You take back your number, though.
Yeah, me say, give me back my number. Yeah, me say, you don't deserve to have my number. Me say, give me back. And him say, why? Me say, you're too greedy, man. Me say, that's a turn off.
Yeah.
And he do it every Friday in coming there. Every Friday. It's like he wait for me.
Yeah.
He pass with the tray and he just take it and he just eat. And if you know all them tray they did big. And the man alone just sit down and eat out the whole of the order on the tray.
But I mean, me hear what you're saying, thing, but but help people to understand what is it about that is so unattractive that it's a turn off. Like
it's a turn off for woman. Man, nothing so greedy.
Man, nothing so greedy. And wait imply about him.
He not have no etiquette, man.
Yeah, him not no etiquette.
When me and him go now, he's
yeah, he might go embarrass you and shame you. If him do that, him liable to go do something else like that or whatever. I tell
you, if him in the club, him just eat off. Consider it. Imagine if me and him go out.
Yeah.
Exactly. Too early in the relationship, he just eat.
Just a Nyam way so, something, yeah.
At least, me could understand if he take one, but he take the whole tray.
Because what is going on here, he has no mouth discipline.
Boy, I don't know if I'm more discipline or what. But that was a turn off. When me tell you, say, me tell him straight up. Me say, man like you, me no want because me can't feed you. You're too greedy.
No, but not only that. What I'm saying is him not control him mouth and him stomach. And if a man not control him mouth and him stomach, then, you know, him probably really not control him mouth. And him just, if him just nyam everything, then probably he would nyam everything, you know.
Of course he would eat everything because the way how he portray himself, you know.
Yeah.
He's a return resident from Canada, and he go play golf.
Yeah.
And he's high in society.
Yeah.
So when me tell him, say no, me say me no want you, no, me's a girl now in senior asylum at work, and me turn him down. Me I tell you, say, him never so disappointed. Come say you ain't my type. You eat too much, and you eat everything.
Eat too much, yeah.
Yeah, that was a turn off. You know, when you look on someone and you say them big man, they're respectable.
Right.
You expect them to carry themselves a certain way.
Exactly.
Because they portray a certain way. So you expect them to have like a class and like a discipline.
Right, and then
No,
when
man,
when he ventures now to exhibit a behavior that runs in contrast to your initial characterization of him, that represents a profound disappointment on your part. Yes, and yeah, no, man, fi have mouth discipline. Man, fi have mouth discipline.
So once the girl, the lady come on me, I say, boy, are the same thing. It was an immediate turn off for me.
Yeah.
He couldn't have a second chance. As me say, me tell him, give me back my number, man. Give me back my number. Me say, don't call me. Give me back my number.
So tell me something, just out of curiosity. Is it usually generally a bad sign if a man quick for eat like that? If him eat too quick?
Man. Yes, it's a very bad sign.
Yeah.
It's a very bad sign because to me, if it's a food, you have to, if I add a food, you have to get to know the person before you start.
Right. So when a man just jump for Nyam, so yeah. So if a man just
start eat and galang, so you just tell me, say, every meat you eat,
yeah.
Meat you don't like.
Yeah, because that means your mouth. Everybody mouth.
Anyway, so
everybody mouth. Yeah, everybody mouth that. Everybody mouth.
Man have more discipline.
Yeah, and who wants to kiss everybody mouth? You know, nobody wants.
Yeah. And Raga, me tell you, say the man, you can't say eat everything because me know.
Yeah.
Him did have a friend. And me did have a friend when me, I just saw the mix up going on, you know. My friend, I start differently. So him did have a friend where me have a friend who used to dance a Caesar nightclub. And she hook up with him friend.
Yeah.
So he tell his friend, say, me not have no sense. Because me no want nothing good out of life because he is a rich man and me no want a rich man. So me tell my friend, say, he nyam too much, that's why me never like him.
Right.
Who nyam.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, my friend, I true, you know, because every woman you go in the car with, soon as they in the car, you start eat. Me say I don't think that.
Listen, that is a man that is not mindful of his excessive caloric intake, and right, and yes, and just seriously lacking in mouth discipline, or as somebody so eloquently stated earlier, they said that is a community mouth, right? And you don't want to be
which one bigger, the community or the village? Which one bigger, the community or the village?
Well, a village is a community, but so they're interchangeable. So we just village mode, our community mode, either one and thing or whatever.
He just eat, so me just want to come up here. It's a turn off, man.
Yes. I mean, yes. So we just want to be clear. The lesson from this exchange just now is that ladies, you generally want to be wary of a man who possesses an overly generous oral cavity. Well, if him mouth too kind, you know what? Him for kind with him money, you know, but him mouth not for too kind.
He must not be too kind.
Yeah, the mouth must have some restraint. Kind with the money, but mean with the mouth. Yeah, kind with the money and mean with the mouth, and that is class and composure. Right. Right. All right, big up yourself here. Yeah, man, cool. Okay. All right, people, I eat that for me. Okay, I gotta go. I don't want to hear it. Tomorrow, right? I have to go. All right. Mr. Target, if the mouth is too kind, it might be a swine. Interesting. See, we have some poets over here, all right? All right, people. Oh, okay. All right, people, take care of yourself, all right? No. I gotta go. No, I don't owe you. No, I don't owe anything. But owe for Monday. I don't owe anything. If you leave me alone, but I owe something. Yeah, me no owe nothing. Thank you, Sammy. Huh? Oh, somebody said drop Punsi. Okay, I'll do that. Somebody says drop Punsi. I could drop Punsi and see. I could see. There might be people here who never hear Punsi, so I could make them hear look Punsi. And I need to pay 1 and 2 more tune over here, you know, and things like that, you know. But you don't know my tune them, you know, my tune them very Jamaican. All right. Punsi. Okay. Punsi, right? That's so. All right. Okay. Let's go.
Me a the slamming king in the country. And up gal ball out and me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a gal squeal out and me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this story. Whenever me woman them get me big rent, I am them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane. Make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them is slam machine in Punsi. Gal slam so good, Lord, me could manage me. Is a boy when me a slam, me no one no mercy. But Punsi make me ball, Lord Jesus help me. Slamming king in the country. And up gal ball out and me agony. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Wally pack gal squeal out and me agony. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Punsi knew where to touch and how to touch and when to touch and why to touch. My body did weak, me couldn't keep up. And when me huff and me puff, I run out of breath. She said, boy, tap your nuts cause you no get nothing yet. You going giddy when you get the over the moon. The rapid matic fi make you sing no tune. The bazooka back breaker destroyer. And dog Nyam your supper with the big John killer. Me a the slamming king in the country. And up gal ball out and me agony. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Whole heap of gal squeal out and me agony. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this now when I mingle at the slam. When me pour back a strain Punsi say shanty. Me why you scream out me name? Me say gal you coulda bright. Me nah go scream your name tonight. And anything you come with me I put up a fight. Then she fling it so and dash it so and seal it for me. And in my mind me say Lord give me strength for manage it. Wheel it so and juke it and jam it like a slave. me jam on, me say, kiss me back with your muscle lady song. When she wheel it and she flick it and it really sweet, me go fi ball out her name, but me hold back it. But when she quint it and squeeze it and my head start take me, she say, when me name me ball out. Punsy, 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 oh God, punsy, punsy, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. A million punsy, I will leave a punsy, I will leave a punsy, oh God, oh punsy, punsy, no done it, 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 more than a punsy, aye. Take the car, the house of you, the house, Lord God, punsy, I love you, I love you, wait, 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 wait.
Oh, to the rock and die. Oh, to the rock and die. Standing da da da.
Me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me, the girl nearly kill me.
Follow the shanty.
Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out of me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi.
Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me.
Hear this story.
Well, as they say in Jamaica, so eloquently stated, you know, with prose, with sophisticated prose, and with intellectual certainty. The phrase is now iconic and is everlasting and is definitive about the remarkable prowess of the Jamaican woman, so aptly captured in this statement. When gal good, gal good. Somebody said, I wonder if a raga. Yes, a raga did not sing it. That song was made 20-something years ago. I think like that. Who knows? Raga Basha may have a couple of surprises for you. All right, people, good night. Good night. Y'all have a good night now. I'll see you tomorrow, all right? Be good, okay? I'm out. Yes, it was me. I'm sorry for those of you who are new and don't know it was me. Yeah, it was me, all right? Good night. Craigton, big up yourself. Ellie, large up. All right, Shaki. Kalia, don't start. Don't start. Nettie Boo, you here tomorrow? Yes, I'm usually here from 6 to 9, Mondays to Thursdays. Oh, you see, they may get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me, the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty, slamming king in the country. Whole heap of girl squeal out of me agony. Boy, you see, they may get a walk from Punsi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Good night. Hasta mañana, mi familia, mi gente. Nos vemos mañana. Cuídense. Good night, Munchi. Like, Munchi, do you have like, like at night, do you have like a bed? Like, do you like have a bed? I'm just, not being disparaging here in any way, but I was just checking in on you. Do you have a bed? We even want to say, you have a look a delicate situation there, so. Cardboard with plastic wraps. Okay, and that's why you're still there. Okay, all right. Keep hope alive. Okay, you can do this. You can get a bed. Pillow top. We're talking pillow top now, okay? Not even a regular bed. Like California King, the whole works. You can do this. One day, you're going to be like these women who have 30 pillows on their bed for no reason. And them get up every day and make them bed and put on back the 30 pillows. At night, them take off the 30 pillow them and put them down and what. And nobody has seen the 30 pillow them throughout the day. But for whatever reason, they get up and they repeat this ritual over and over every day. One day you will get there munching. And you will be like one of these women who have a California king big bed, pillow top and thing with 30 or 40 pillows on it. And you're going to get up every day and you're going to make your bed and you're going to position the pillow them because them have a position in order too. And it has to be a gradient from the big one come down to the small one and thing. And them always have one little one in at the middle. Don't ask me why. And every day them decorate the whole bed and left. Nobody sees the damn bed throughout the day. Nobody not see it. Nobody not see the bed at daytime. Nobody not see the bed. They just never alone see the bed. And if Duppy in the house, Duppy them see the bed. And then them come back at night and them take off the 30 pillow them and go back in at the bed, sleep, wake up, make back the bed. And one day you'll get there munching. Keep hope alive. One day you're going to have a nice bed and you're going to be just as ridiculous as those women who do that. 30 pillar. And out of the 30 pillar is one pillar used a night. Or two. Don't ask me to explain. It's just one of those things. Okay? Chrissy said, why that bun you so? Chrissy's like, I feel judged. You know, that's like somebody who is guilty of sin, you know. It's like, I feel judged. Raga, why you talk about me? Yeah, you know, see, I people that laugh because I know exactly what me I refer to. Yeah. Makes no sense. Raga, I hope these people on TT understands you. TT? I'm going to leave that alone. Exactly. Good night. Oh, TikTok. Well, duh. Good night. Latisha, stop trouble, Raga. He is my husband. Tell him you're Latisha. Tell him you're my friend. Okay, Ellie.